Hype in the chat.
Chat, there's a breakout going on right now. We got a massive pump going on. $46,600. I promised I'd be live if we saw 45.5. Well, partial decline once again, right? If we see 45.5 this time, 70% chance of a breakout. It's already happened. It has already effing happened in seconds. Highest price since January 5th, chat. Wow. Bitcoin just, dude, really?
And then, just like that,
Bitcoin was up 4% on the day. Sorry, audio's loud. I'm all off here, okay? Because no intro. I didn't even change the stream title. It's just like hits it live. I mean, I was about to leave. I had my shoes on. I was ready to like go get my car washed and just ding 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 ding. Like, what the is happening? Oh. Okay, so I promise like a 30-minute live stream minimum. All right, so we'll see what happens. I'll keep my eye on that. It may just be a 30-minute live stream, but just I gave you all my word, so holy crap. Just chill for a sec, man. I'm trying to get situated here. Certainly unexpected, you know. I mean, not like, you know, really, but we knew like it could happen at any time, but dang, man, life comes at you fast. Good to see y'all. Traders, hello. Let me change my good God. I gotta change my title, stream title. Definitely not a Saturday stream, and definitely not meh. I don't know, chillin'. I need a thumbnail stat. Bro, I gotta make a coffee too. Dude. So, fantastic. Literally fantastic. Oh, God. What about the altcoins, man? Come on, dude. What about the altcoins? I wish someone would have told us about the altcoins, man. We had no idea. No one saw it coming. DGB thumbnail. Yeah, well, I can't. You know, I told Jalen he must be just living life. I mean, God forbid, you know, Jalen has a life. God forbid anyone has a life on a Sunday and they're spending it with their friends and family or loved ones, right? So, okay. Let's go to the daily. Fantastic. It'll be your highest daily candle close since since January 3rd. It'll be the highest weekly candle close of 2022. That's spectacular. That's the major development. But now it's the daily. The daily, we're getting a higher high, chat. The first effing higher high since November. It's happening right now.
look here. Look, listen.
These are like huge developments technically, right? And you had some major fundamental developments, right? The news-driven catalysts like Exxon using their gas to mine Bitcoin, and then Russia possibly accepting, Bitcoin for oil. I mean, those are big, but now it's the price action. So good to see y'all here.
A man of his word.
What's up, dude?
Is that a joint?
Thank you, man. Yeah, I'm sorry, still just completely discombobulated here. I'm not good on improv streams. I'm better on scheduled streams, but yeah, this is good stuff. Hold on.
Fell super chatted $49.99. My bro, can you check out Ape Coin? I know there's not much data, but could we break above $14?
We always could, dude. Thanks for the 50, dude.
Let's fucking go. 0.025760000 LTC.
Gotta go over here.
Thanks, dude. Yeah, like imagine caring about ApeCoin at a time like this. That's like, J-Phils, man, what are you doing, dude? What are you doing? We just said Bitcoin made the first higher high since November, and you care about ApeCoin, dude. Why? I thought we were friends, dude. $20 request accept ape coin. Kappa. But yeah, I guess we'll look at it in a second. But you can't ever feel like I should be obligated to be looking at an S coin, ape coin, when I'm going live for a particular reason at a random time that is not scheduled, right? You can't be mad about that if I'm looking at Bitcoin for certain reasons. Nice car alarm going off. Okay, dude. It was the pump was so immense that, yeah. Car alarms are going off, dude. They broke the sound barrier. That's what happens when you break resistance, okay? Sound barrier broken, car alarms go off, glass gets broken, you know, all those things. So, fantastic on Bitcoin. We're going to pay attention to it. Ethereum, what do you think Ethereum's doing? The same thing, man. Now, not quite taking out that high from February 10th, but it is upon ye. It is upon ye. My alert was going off. Let's see. I'm just going to add an alert there. We hear the beep. Oh, my God. We're making the highest high since mid-January. It's cool though. We, you know, took out that high and we got above the inflection point. We've been going, man. This thing's up 2.74%. Beautiful. I'll tell you this on the daily for Ethereum. Right now, you are at your highest RSI since November. Right, bullish control zone out the yin yang 68. Hot but not too hot. Perfect, actually. Remember that time when Ethereum rejected the bearish control zone and then back tested it as support and now ended up being classic bullish divergence locally too. That is incredible, right? Pay attention to this. I don't really know, but my God, look what's happened, Larry. It is certainly like the most appropriate.
See what happens, Larry? Is this your homework, Larry?
We did our homework. Now we got an A+ in Kingdom. Thank you, dude. Beautiful stuff, man. So the 60-minute though. Oh yeah, here we go. This is the 4-hour.
Beach Jedi 101 tip $25. Hype in the chat.
Thank you, dude, for the 25. Yes, hypes in the chat. Meh. Oh, it's Scott Carney's in the chat, dude.
Bruh.
What's up, Scott Carney, man? We did it. Yeah, he messaged me this morning. He's like, get ready. And I'm like, what hadn't happened yet? He must have known something. Well, you know, it's the failed bat. Then it's the crab. Then the target is 34.17. Makes too much sense. Where you think we'd be headed to before some sort of reaction. It's incredible price action. Finally overbought on the 4-hour again. It's all good, man. It's really good. Convergence. Impressive. All right. And then you got some coins that are lagging.
Matthew _D tip $24.24. DGB over 9,000.
Yeah, dude. Well, DGB, man. Should we do it? Should we just spend a moment while Bitcoin's just hanging out to look at that timestamp, you know? The analysis. Looking back on the 21st and what was really going on. I mean, I think it'd be fair. It would kill a little time. Wow, dude, chat got stupid lit. Oh my God. Yeah, why don't we do this real quick? All right, hold on. Let's just spend a moment and ruminate on the past. Okay, so just relax for a second. We're here. If Bitcoin's making session highs, I'm gonna go right back to it.
Run all the way. LFGGG, love you, man.
Okay, this was 321. All right, 321 DGB. Let's first look at DGB. Holy crap, dude! DGB was up 50+% before it pulled back some. Look at this. Sweet mother of Jesus, right? Divergence, type 2 return. Bullish butterfly, inflection point. What dreams are made of, right? And then like Bitcoin Cash and EOS. Yep, 786, lower high. And it's perfect, dude. It's literally wow, it's actually like a pretty solid argument here, right? This is what dreams are made of. Even on extension patterns, I think we don't have to settle. We would go with something else like XRP. But either way, can't say this isn't perfect. Okay, this has all the makings of a Velocity athlete for at least a 50% rally. bullish butterfly at its pattern completion zone with bullish divergence, and it's all happening, type 2, type 1, all happening at an inflection point from July, November, and December of 2020. So yes, this could be an actual trade setup right here. Easy. You just stop out somewhere below 18 cents, right? Obviously, why would you not? That's the you don't want to go lower than that. This, like, everything kind of dies. Your whole argument dies below that support. Because you're bottoming out a second time, confirmed now. So now the next thing to happen would be the massive markup to 33.196 cents.
Bruh.
Okay, that's it, dude. So it's just like nice. Really, really nice. I think it's important to sometimes look back, you know, because it's like educational moments, you know, certain educational moments where, like, that's the thing, like, you know, people are gonna be like tuning in more here, like, because the pumps are happening. But like, again, the better times are like March 21st, right? Those are the better times to watch if you care about low risk entries. It's before the pumps. It's before the euphoria. That's what you should be trying to understand. The opportunities develop when there's not hype. When there is hype, there is limited opportunity, I believe, based on what we've seen a million times now throughout these cycles, right? Being here. So, whatever, dude. It's not about being right. Dude, it's not about being right. Oh my God. Stop saying, oh, he was right, or I was wrong on another one. It's not about that. It's just about the system. It's about literally applying yourself, looking for the assets at critical areas, showing the formula, right? Hey, in another world, that could have failed. You get stopped out and you move on your day with minimal losses. I didn't know it was going to rally. Certainly didn't know it was going to go 50% in a day, but sometimes that happens in this crypto world. So it's never about being right or wrong. It's just really about being able to identify an asset at an area where the probability is higher than 50% that it would go up next, not down. All right, that's all it is. Here is finally, unironically, I can press this.
VeChain doing things.
VeChain doing things, man. I mean, we were here just like yesterday, talking about what this thing was doing, where it was, the oscillator, everything, what dreams are made of right here. And what a pump, man. 2 days in a row now. Massive engulfing candle yesterday and beautiful immediate fall through price action. So, wonderful.
Opportunity costs are getting to me with Gala got in at 0.22 cents, waiting patiently for the 0.368. Lots of great setups playing out now.
Yeah, they're beginning to, aren't they? I mean, not all of them. Most actually haven't. If you're talking about relativity in this whole market, most haven't. But yes, you're finally starting to see those cracks unfold. Like, you're starting to see them play out. And this is what happens in these cycles, right? The beginning of the cycles, it was just like September of 2020. And then October of 2021. Right, where these things start blowing up like this. Not all of them, but some start to, and it's pretty cool. And then you know that VeChain was a bullish shark with type 2 return, Momo shifting structure, divergence, then ZRX. I mean, yesterday, man, it's like, I don't know. What do you want me to do? All I can do is be, like I said it. All I can do is be here and just identify this stuff. You know, I can't do anything else. This is as much as I can do. And that thing was up 30+% at one time at its height at 82 cents. My God, man. Beautiful, though. I mean, dreams are made of these things. So. Yeah, banned.
Thanks for going live. Good vibes.
So, Mr. LinkedIn, dude. Thank you, man. Yeah, the vibes are pretty good, man. For sure. Gotta love it. What's up, Paulie, man?
Comp doing the Jesus soon.
Yeah, comp. We're gonna look at ApeCoin. Just give me a second. I'm just trying to look at like FIL coin too. You know, 1272. Finally started doing something. It's one to watch again. Okay, put on your watch list because FIL could pull a DGB. It could pull an ETC, a VET, a ZRX. It could pull one. If you get above 2371, you just can't be surprised if it does something stupid. Right, what we're seeing about these extensions is they're just catching up. You know, they're catching back up, going back to those July lows. So FIL's at 14% today, but just please pay attention to it. All right, let's keep your eye on it. You're aware of it, what it's doing, where it's doing it at. Okay, very nice. ICP similar. What a loser, man. But it did break out. You know, a supply line was breached. You might be. I mean, there's continuation of all this bullish divergence down here. You're just at this one low from December 20th. You break that, you go to, gosh, dude, you go from $21 to $28 really fast. I mean, it's just, you go at 35% in probably a day or two if it breaks 21 bucks, dude. Yeah, I get it though. What a loser. Yes, it is a loser. No one's gonna argue that. Okay, it's a massive underperformer, but look what just happened on another massive, terrible performer. It just made up for everything. It did. Highest price DGB seen since December. Wow, just incredible stuff, dude. 45% up on the day. I have a little alert set up. We're starting to breach that one high back from August of 2020, man. Crazy. I gotta get a coffee, man. Hold on a second. Let me make this coffee. It takes 10 seconds. It's just up here. Just again, I was about to leave. I had the keys in my hand, and when the beeps went off, it's unbelievable. It's so weird. Hold on. Oh, it's rinsing. Oh man, I don't know what happened. I reset the settings on this thing and it's super annoying now. Oh, there's a thumbnail for me. Thank you, Jalen. Let me change the thumbnail now because it's way more appropriate. Mini attendees for us all. And thanks for the 740 people here. A few of y'all trickling in and stuff. This was definitely improv. Okay. So yeah, I mean, ApeCoin, dude. God, why do you do this to me, man? Bitcoin's pumping, but let's look at ApeCoin. Yeah, sure, dude. ApeCoin, 15 bucks, 20 bucks, probably $25. Right? Look at your daily. You had a confirmed breakout yesterday, okay? Engulfing candle. Yeah, dude, I would not be surprised you see $15 and $20 and maybe $25 after that, based on very little, okay? Based on, it's an S coin that got listed and people bought it, and okay, the sentiment's getting good. All right, fine, 20 bucks, 25 bucks, sure. Let's go, man. Let's go to the wick. Let's go to 1821 next. Sure. There you go, man. That's about as much as you're gonna get if you request something like ApeCoin, okay? Just saying. Was there another one? I mean, DGB we did look at. Comp, yeah, comp is oh, don't worry about ApeCoin, you said? Never mind. Sorry. Wait. Okay, I missed that one. Where did that come from, J-Fells? I must have just not seen that. My bad. So, alright, just act like I didn't analyze this then, since he erased his own request. My bad, dude. Alright, comp. Yeah, comp, dude. Comp, what do you... I mean, it's like lowest risk ever areas. Like, unbelievable. Like, crazy good opportunity here. Trade setup, by the way. Remember that time? Trade setup? Look at this, chat. It's just stupid. It's like unbelievable. It's so bullish. Like, imagine not thinking this is an unbelievable low risk, high reward opportunity on COMP. The low, the low from August 2nd, 2020, right? Incredible. That's what it is. There, it started there, and it's still there, and you're above it now. After just drawing down, you broke out of a wedge. You're about to break and make a higher high than 126. Dude, the upside on this is unreal. Over 100%, I believe. Yeah, 115% upside on COMP down here in the basement. Yep. Okay. Do you understand what I'm saying to you? Dude, who cares about Atom? Oh, it's up 1.7%. No one, like, that's like If you're at 1.7% today, that's a effing loss. That's really disappointing, you know? Massive underperformance. Wow, DGB going back up. Going back up above that critical inflection point from August 2020. Let's go. 58%. Probes would be proud,
Cheers to
man.
Mitch, the Citadel, and everyone who stuck around and bought these low-risk areas. Kangs.
Thank you, Beat Jedi, man. Yeah, shout out to everyone. Hey, man, it's your money. You know, it's your wallet. It's your prosperity. So, I mean, like, if you don't want to be here during the times when it's boring, that's your loss. You're going to lose out so much. You miss all these pumps. Because what is it like? We've been talking about, yeah, you're just sitting in these trade setups waiting to get stopped out or waiting for moon. And some of these are mooning like crazy right now. Like DGB is about to be at session highs of this pump, which is absolutely incredible. Wow. Okay, let me get this. Let me get this. Okay, this coffee real quick. All right. One sec. If you're enjoying the pump and the improv stream, sorry about it being disorganized. Hit that like button, the bell, sub. Thanks for being here. Hype in the chat. Sir, I hear the butler bell. Here's your coffee. Right now, what's supposed to happen? Adam, I think I had a pretty tight alert. It's nothing, dude. It's a joke. I mean, it's literally incredible. Like, I don't know what to tell you, dude. Hold on, let me turn the music down. About this one, dude, for real. Like, it's the holy grail to me. I think it's a holy grail trade setup based on its sheer outperformance of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the fact that it's just a massive, like, weekly ascending triangle kind of, and it's just springs back to, it's everything. It's Volkowski, it's Carney, and it's Wyckoff, you know? And just look where you are. This gray zone, you're above it. You broke back above it. You're back testing it now on the daily. You're starting to rally a little bit. It's pathetic, though. Like, though it's been outperforming on the way down, it is not outperforming on the way up at all. And that's kind of, blah, you know. Sucks, dude. What are you gonna do? But I think, like, if you have patience, it will go well for you. Ride with me. I said it for death and glory, because I'm in on this one. Because I love it. I think it's a great setup, man, technically. But yeah, I mean, it's like, you know, it's a Beanie Baby. I like the Beanie Baby. It has, you know, it's like, what kind of Beanie Baby, dude? It's like a newer fabric and stuff. It's awesome. No, this is not no, it's not a diamond. How could it be a diamond when on the right side there's no anchor point? 2 anchor points for a trend line for the right, top right of the diamond. No, literally no. It's not a diamond. It's a momentum shifting structure Diamonds have oblong shoulders, characteristically. This is very, very symmetric. So no, it's not a diamond. It's an inverse head and shoulders potentially. With the neckline being 32-31, yeah, you had a little bit of price action up thrust, but you've had that before. It's really right here. It's that one high from May 7th. That is the neckline of the potential inverse head and shoulders. From here, you would think the asset would go and touch that and test that next. Like the next thing we do now on Atom is go to 32-31. Here we go, what, dude? We're just barely over 46K, man. What's up, iCope, dude? I don't know, man. Looking at D words and me in the same sentence is normally...
Ico tipped $101.09. Saw the big green dildo and thought of you. Respect for going live on the dot. I know you own some $8. Be honest, lol, smile, LFG. 0.03119885 ETH.
If I owned Ape, dude, it wouldn't matter if I owned it or not. It would still be the same. I would say the same things about it. I'm not going to have like a bias because I own it. Oh, you know, like this. I own this and I'm crapping on this. I'm like, oh, it's so good, but look how pathetic it is. It's up 1.63% while everything else is up like stupid 5 to 10 to 70% like DGB. So I own this and I'm crapping all over it right now. So even if I owned Ape, I can crap all over it. Look at this thing, dude. It's ridiculous. Talking about, see, I call them green impulse candles, but I know someone, a very well-respected member of the world of TA, says the D word. So that's cool, man. Like, if you want to say that, sure. But we try to keep it family-friendly, especially on Sundays, right? It's the Lord's Day. Let's go, Jesus. Jesus coming into these altcoins, right? Goodness gracious, dude. But yeah, I mean, it's like, oh, is that it? It's just kind of hard to get off of. How do I get off of Bitcoin? And then how do I get off of DGB, like as a streamer, you know, like of these markets when it's like at its session highs, when it's now making, you know, of course there's probably more data. I'm sure there definitely is. But like at least on the Binance chart, to Tether, DGB, it's a record level of volume going on right now. Really? I'm so surprised. You can't be surprised. I mean, pretty much the volume candle is the size of the green price candle, right? This is nuts, man. I don't know. I would think that like if it stays above this, it would probably go to 4.8 cents next, right? God. Okay, did someone request something? I don't think so. Nah, I mean comp, but you know, we looked at comp and it's like unbelievable, right? It's like, oh yeah, 115% upside on comp from here. But we'll talk about that at some point. Hey, even something as illiquid and scrubby, you know what? I'm gonna add another alert, so I'll just come right. We'll drop our dude. It's at its highest point. It keeps pumping. It's up 74% right now. DGB, can I please leave? Can I please go look at something else across this market? Nope, I can't. Now it's, God, 75% and climbing. DGB Moon Boys unite. $76.5% up. And still climbing, man. There's not really much like resistance. Okay, I'll come back to it as soon as we hear the beep. It'll be in like probably 20 seconds. All right, it's gonna happen right now. Okay, I'm just getting trolled by DGB. Dude, go look at ApeCoin. Go look at Shiba Inu coin, man. Okay, it's 78% up on the day. Okay, pulling back a little bit. I'm at it. One more alert, a little bit higher. If we hear the beep, we'll come back. But I just want to like look at other assets, you know, just for everyone's the stream quality. It's kind of interesting. I mean, like to me, Rareable's a joke. It's so illiquid, but it's really cool. that we would see some sort of M shape at a 1414 and kind of like a 95% retrace from your June lows with triple bullish divergence. And there's like a massive inflection point here. I think if you can like hold above this, the upside would take you to $13.51 to $14. If it's gonna just kind of rising tide lifts all ships, you know, upside on Rarible above this level is like 79% upside, man. I know it's a joke, but still, it's kind of respecting. It respected the living crap out of the TA in the past, like unbelievable, ungodly inverse head and shoulders right here. Spring back test, spring gone, right? Huge markup. But it might be doing the same thing at the same levels again. So pay attention to Rarible if you want. Theta's up on the day, 8.73%. I mean, come on, dude. It wasn't really a formal harmonic. I just recently plotted this, like today. It was mainly about the double bottom at the inflection point with the bullish divergence, and the supply line was broken. And now you're rallying to another critical zone of inflection between 372, 401. You break that, could be the promised land, right? The promised land. Yeah. Beautiful. And let's look at the gas of Theta, which is T-Fuel, which is an active trade setup. Incredible, right? Just beautiful opportunity was here. It was knocking. But were you around? You might not have been home. Because my crypto wasn't mooning, so I'm gonna rage quit and forget about it. Like, well, that's... Yeah, thank you for being the exit liquidity for us when it pumps to 58, 64K Bitcoin and you want to FOMO in because you missed out. Please go ahead and be the exit liquidity for all of us. Thank you. But yeah, I think this is on its way to a supply line around 23.6 cents. So this means higher to go, not even overbought on the daily. It's beautiful though. Spring back test to spring twice. Super solid in an M shape right there. Yep. And then what's the one that looks like this, chat? Does anyone remember what the one that looks like Theta Fuel, T-Fuel? Anyone? I'll give you all a second. If you can guess it, then we'll go to it next, you know? Got some answers coming in. Got a couple right answers. Got a lot of wrong answers. Okay. Chili's. It was Chili's. CHZ. So Jeff H. and Erlek J. and David B. Y'all got it, man. Y'all figured it out. Joe Chrism. Yep. CHZ. So let's do it. Great day today for Chili's. Really, really good day. So, I mean, come on, dude. What do you want? Like, what do you want? Right, up 11.78% today, but so far off the entry now, up like 30% off the entry now, I think. Everything was sitting here, everything was there. It was boring times, dude. Things kind of boring, man. I don't know, dude, but it was there. The low risk, high reward opportunity was there. So we'll see. I mean, you're still below the 200-day moving average. There's wide open spaces, but I think it would make sense for this thing to run up to 33.86 cents. You know, for it. I mean, why would it stop here? It'd kind of be weird to stop here. I think there's much more upside, even where you are now. Man, dude, so I've been live 34 minutes, so I have fulfilled my obligation to y'all. I gave my word. So I don't know if I would continue this stream. Here's H-bar. This thing, been an active trade setup for eons now. Slow, it's like a barbecue. Low and slow, but still fantastic. All that you could have dreamed of was here. And it's just begun. I mean, I'm thinking you go to 40 cents. You know, it's a double up thing. It's like, the trade setup's like, yeah, double in value, double up. Like 40 cents would be the target eventually on this. Oh. Yeah, stream time's not for like an hour and 45 minutes. And that's, so 2 hours, 45 minutes since, until your weekly candle close. And again, the weekly candle close on Bitcoin, it will be the highest one of 2022. I think that is spectacular. H-bar looks so nice. Yeah, I said, I think yesterday or the day before, H-bar is so sensual looking that it should be in Bukowski's next erotic book. Yes, this itself. It's perfect. Yep. So, man, we're just right around 46K. There's so many good things going on right now today. It's incredible. Some better than others, obviously, but God, DGB 70% up. It's just ridiculous. And then Zilliqa, you know what Zilliqa was like, dude? Come on, man. Like, just like what? It was all there, man. It was an 88% retrace from those lows to it was so ungodly. And look at it. It broke out yesterday and it's back tested the breakout zone as support and rallied and got as high as 12.49 cents. Unbelievable. It's actually too believable, isn't it? Like, that's the whole point, is like you should finally start believing it, because it's so unbelievably amazing sometimes. What's so funny, Scott Carney, man? You just laughing out loud? Or he might be saying lots of love. LOL, lots of love. Boomer moms around the world. That's what LOL means to them, okay? Yeah, man, it's unstoppable. You got Alpha Coin too, up 12%. Alpha Coin, man, come on. It was just like a 100% retrace. Look at the inflection point back from November 2020. Massive bullish divergence. These are the levels, man. These are the critical levels. The inflection points where massive rallies can occur. Look at the history. Like straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. Why not straight up again? Literally possible. Literally exactly how it could happen. So yeah, man, you hold support. You could moon soon. It's incredible, dude. Well, one I haven't looked at today, Rose Song. Is that the Rose Song? Well, is that the double bottom on Rose at an inflection point? Yep, with divergence and back. Hey, anything on Rose above 25 cents is massive. Great deal. You're sitting right at this candle high close from September 8th. I think breaking that. Goodness gracious, a minimum 36.5 cents above that candle high close. Yeah, and hey, what Rose is doing, breaking back above the 200-day simple moving average, incredible. What an outperformer! Like, what a good performer on this one. Just mild pullbacks. You know, it had a really nice demand line and finally broke it, but you know, whatever, dude. This thing's great. 1-inch coin's nuts too. Look at this chat. Look at this. Okay, so you're talking about like it fell below critical supports. And now you're breaching back into the zone of inflection. You break 178. Imagine what could happen, Larry. Really big things could happen above 178. You're talking like, I think, doubling in price. Yeah, 100% upside on 1-inch coin above 178 eventually. Yep. So this is something to be paying attention to. Obviously, divergence. I mean, almost all these. Like, almost goes without saying. Do I have to plot it every time on these 18,000 Beanie Babies? They're all showing that daily divergence at deep retraces, right? So yeah, put this on the watch list. Have an alert set up. You know, you start hearing a beep on 1-inch coin above 178. Could be on. Insane things can happen above this level. So ORN, I haven't looked at a lot of these today. ORN was just kind of you know, the same thing, sharkish behavior, deep retraces from your low to your high, pretty much 886. And reversing there, you know, I think you got a lot of work to do on this one, way more than others. It's just up like 7.5%. You got to break like $5 before it starts getting really interesting here. But you can't say that it didn't break a really strong supply line. I think that's very real. Supply line breakout. But, you know, other than that, pretty bad underperformer compared to a lot. So, someone was talking about Ren. I mean, yeah, Ren was the Jesus, dude. Kind of 100% retrace, double bottom, divergence, right? You're on your way. Look, you're just right at this one high from October 11, 2020. I think you're headed. I don't think anything's going to stop it unless Bitcoin just collapses. It's going to stop Ren from getting to 53 to 59 cents, you know? The next zone, man. It's all about the levels. It's the levels. Pretty good. God, so much divergence, convergence. I'm gonna wash my car. No, I based on wash my car, but I don't know, man. Like, if the stream ends, probably. If not, no, obviously not. Wait, Scott Carney didn't clarify if he was saying laugh out loud. Oh, lots of love for Bukowski and his next book. Yeah, no, dude. From, what would the name of Bukowski's next erotic book be? If the first one was From Bedroom to Boardroom. From Bedroom to H-Bar or something like that. Stupid, right? CGLD was also taking out the Psycho stuff, price action. 886, Momo Shift. Oh, I mean, this one's kind of crap, but either way, you know, it's pretty decent.
At 417 pages, it's going to take like 8 years of weekly Mitch/Carney streams to finish the book.
Why is that? Why is it reading comprehension or is it something more sexual? I feel so good. Thank you, dude. Awesome. I don't know what my miles per gallon is on the M5 competition. Someone could Google it. 2022, whatever it is. YFII is an active trade setup. It's up like 30% from the entry. That was just a standard, beautiful, sexual falling wedge with bullish divergence at an 88% retrace from its previous low to its high. It broke out, man, and it was back testing an old support as support again. It was too perfect. It was such a great setup, and it's going to 2571. Ever breaks 2571, it's probably going to 3682. You break 3682, mother of God, and probably 5K. So, well on its way, man. This is kind of what's taught here, you know, things like this, Bukowski patterns at deep value perceived areas with an edge, and hopefully at inflection points. Holy grail stuff, like when all those variables converge like that. That's why I exist. So if you don't know that, you can learn that, and then you can start applying it yourself to your own charts, and maybe it'll help your game, right? No, I mean, DGB, if the beep goes off, which it's just marginally above. Oh, wait, is gold? I think gold is open now, right? Opens like 2 hours before futures or something. No, not yet. Not yet. When does gold open? It's got to be soon, right? But, dude, gold, though, I mean, like, you would think, based on the trend it's in, this harmonic and how it's back tested September of 2011's old all-time high ass support like this, and now it's just butting up against 1963, just another not a very big deal resistance. Is there though. You go back to right here is like November 2020, September 2020, right? You break that, man, sky's the limit, dude. 2075 again, all-time highs. Yeah, this is solid gold DCA type market right now on this one. Pax G getting volume, man. No way. Pax G. That's how we were trading gold, because it was such a good technical setup. You know, I don't know, volume, dude. What are you talking about? This already hit 2 of the 3 targets, you know, twice. So I'm thinking, I mean, that right there should tell you if you're in an uptrend clearly, and you show hidden bullish divergence. What happened last time we had hidden bullish divergence? Moon happened. Okay, well, here it is again. Completely reset your oscillators. Things look pretty good, but you know, I do worry about like if like equities, right, keep running. It's gonna just inverse correlated assets are just not gonna do well with whatever they're inverse correlated with. Continue to rally, right? So it could stall in that case. Okay, dude, let's just like look at this, man. I want you to be like, sorry, we're looking at gold for a second. Let's go back. Look at this S coin, dude. DIA. Oops, wrong. Oh, took my eye off the prize, dude. DIA chat. I mean, do you understand what's happening right here? Does anyone get what's happening? Like, the stage is set for 85% upside. Or sorry, 80% upside, whatever. Okay. Do you get what's happening right now? I mean, lowest risk areas of your entire effing life, if you ever wanted to dream of it, here it is. Silver platter. Okay. Totals look amazing on the way, dude. It's wow. You know, if the daily closes as it is now.
Aquaponics Eigentune and we tip $32.40. Nice shock diamonds on that DGB camp hype.
Shock diamonds.
0.010000000 ETH.
Shock diamonds, dude. I'm sorry. What's that, dude? I'm sorry, I'm a tad bit deaf in the left ear, man. I'm sure you can say it again. Just kidding. But whatever you said, just remember, Dia. It is time to rise. Time is upon us for absolute bullish pandemonium. All right. And I could go all day, man. Like, it's just unbelievable. There's so many assets out there, man. And if you want them, if you want all of them, man, you just join the Patreon. You get access to charts only, the premium Discord, and you get them. You get pinged on them. Everything. Okay. Was there even a request, or is it just we're all happy to be here, man? Yeah, I think it's just everyone's happy to be here. Okay. Going back to Bitcoin for a second, it's just hanging out above 46K like it was a joke. Like it was a joke, man. Massive engulfing candle. 2 hours, 34 minutes till the daily, weekly, 4-hour close. If you're enjoying it, hit that like button, the bell, the sub. It'll be the highest 4-hour candle close if it all stays the same for 2 hours, 34 minutes since January 5th. Same stuff, like with everything. All these significant time scales, beautiful. It was like, it was weird. It was like there was just no bearish divergence in sight, really, on any time scale. And it was just floating on up like that. And it's like, what? What's up, anonymous man? Electronium Connect, man. I thought that thing died, man.
Anonymous tipped $111.07. ETN/USDT on KuCoin, please. 0.0343167 ETH.
Sure, dude. Thank you for the 100, man. Session Top Jesus, you just one-upped iCope, dude. Rips in the chat for iCope. Sorry, man. Okay. Yeah, what was it? ETN. Sure.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Remember, D is an active trade setup, so whatever, dude. ETN. The Electronium asset. What a scrub. What a scrub. It's been a long time since I've looked at this, man. Yeah, double that demand line. Yikes. I mean, I'm sure you could say it's completing an M in some shape or form, right? Like a slight, like right around 100% retrace from that June low. I mean, sure, a little divergence. I look at this and I say there are just unlimited assets, unlimited amount of assets that look better than this that I would put my money in long before I'd ever put it into ETN. Okay, I would never put my money in ETN when it looks like this. It's just, I know it could rally here, yes, but is it showing a confirmation low? Is it showing really strong, undeniable divergence that's better than all these other ones that we've been looking at? Nah, not really. I just, again, man, I look at this, I'm like, I would not settle. I would not put my money in this because there are just far too many other assets I could put my money in that I already have my own money in that are already rallying. They're up 30% off the entry, right? I just don't care about a dead crypto. This is a dead crypto, man. Their whole like premise was we're gonna mine crypto on the iPhone, and then Apple came out and they're like, no, we're not letting you do that. You can't do that. That was it. That was it for this coin. It pumps and dumps, dude. It's just a financial instrument where you can trade it and make money occasionally. But again, that's what all these coins are for. And if that's the case, I would be looking for the assets on the chart that are showing me the best argument for upside. Doesn't mean this thing can't just rally 50% randomly tomorrow, but that's like you going into the casino and just putting it all down on black or red on roulette, or you go play blackjack and you hit 21 accidentally because you were gambling, right? That's what's happening here. So good luck, dude, if you want to, or you could have an edge on almost unlimited amount of assets right now.
FTM check for me, bro. Bought some back just now.
FTM. Sure. But thanks again, Anonymous, man. Just because I'm knocking the S coin doesn't mean I'm not grateful for the contribution. Okay, I really am, and I appreciate it. But it's tough love, man. It's tough love. And if you are offended by what I've said about this coin, you might need to look inwards. Okay, because it's not about you. It never was about you. It was about the S coin. Don't take it personal, man. It's just business, technically, right? Why people keep saying Bitcoin pump, dude? Yeah, Bitcoin's 46,444. Repeating, of course. Remember all the fours? Remember 44,444. Now we're 46,444. Let's go, dude. Incredible. You realize this is a massive breakout on the daily. And we're talking, we already broke out above 1, but we had the local structure we had to break. And the partial decline, chat, gold. Literal gold, dude, right? Potential partial decline. You touch the resistance one more time. Gone. Breakout. That is partial decline out the VA, dude. That's unbelievable, right? Come on, dude. Partial decline. Much. Rectangle. Give me a break, dude. Okay, it's go time. Yeah, Chris Farley. Yeah, that's it, dude. That's kind of what's happening. But yeah, I don't know how high the pump will go today. I mean, we're up $1,700 so far. Everything is solid, dude. Like the daily RSI is the highest of the year. Yep, highest RSI since November 8th of 2021 on the daily. That is incredible. And you're not overbought, chat. You're not. You're at 67.49. So much more upside. Market participants will it. They want this thing to get overbought. You can imagine what the price is going to be. 53K, bread stream levels. Okay, wow, 52 to 53K. Yeah, dude, because that's like a major level of inflection from history. That's where you're headed here. There's no more real resistance above where you just broke out. When Star Wars stream? Yeah, probably like 64, 69K areas. We can't really do them till then, you know. But we got stuff to hold us over, like bread stream halfway there, you know. Yeah, we won't be doing a spaceship stream probably until Haesong levels, yeah. I think that's appropriate. And then we can just go to the 3-day that was always good to us, right? The 3-day was, and remember that bullish engulfing candle that happened? And look at 1 month of follow through. Incredible. Or not 1 month, sorry. 12 days of follow through. I was thinking about the weekly for a second. But man, look at the 200-day simple moving average, how it held, chat. You confirmed that was going to be held on the second time. And look at this. Look at your weekly RSI at its highest level since November 15th. You have year-to-date highs on your 3-day RSI. Imagine where Bitcoin's price would be the next time the 3-day gets overbought. 58K plus. Oh yeah. You won't believe it now. But on your way. I don't know. 3-day, weekly. Look at this, dude. We are at session. We are pumping right now. $46,760 and climbing. Up $2,260. 5% cracked. And no resistance in sight, chat. No resistance in sight. Incredible, man. And yeah, a little bullback there. You know, it's all good. Everything's good. We've broken out. That's important. stage is set, chat, for much higher prices. I knew I wasn't going crazy. I thought I was taking crazy pills. During this 3-week period of bull crap, it was a 33% swing in a 3-week period between February 21st and March 7th, dude. 33% swing. Lowest low, 34.2, and then your highest high was 45.5. Unreal, dude, right? It just makes you lose your mind. But look at this. Look how the weekly is setting up. You're about to go positive. It'd be the first level of positive momentum you've seen on the histogram, MACD histogram, since November 22nd. And this is the thing I brought up yesterday on stream that everyone should, it's really take it with a grain of salt, I guess. It's just another variable to add to all the other bullish variables that have held up really well, right? It was the MACD signal line that, again, I just don't use it much, but the fact that it is set up just like everything else is for higher prices, I think strengthens your argument if you're bullish, where it's about to have a massive bullish crossover. Okay, the last time the MACD signal line was below neutral in negative territory and crossed over, the date was April 20th, 2020.
Is that a joint?
Big time. Big joint. All right. Last time the bullish crossover occurred back here, Bitcoin appreciated in value, unbelievable levels, right? Yeah, what did it appreciate in value before the first climax, buying climax? I mean, it went up, 750% in a year. So you're about to do the same thing. Do you understand that? And remember the weekly hidden bullish divergence? Continuation implied. It's happening, Larry. So, yeah, look, can you see on the weekly how there's literally zero resistance where you are now? None. 52, 53K, that's it. When opportunity presents itself, it is far too late to prepare. I think, once again, that should be said. It's very real. Well, 750% from here. Well, it's not going to do the same thing, but it was just kind of like to make a point that some good things can happen with a weekly bullish crossover below neutral in negative territory. It's fantastic, and it lines up perfectly. Saying the same thing the histogram's saying, and it's also strengthening, reinforcing the argument for the RSI, hidden bullish divergence, right? Weekly candles now, or the yearly candles now green. Oh my god, dude. I never look at the yearly candle. Like, what? Jameson fake news. Never said that. Spirit in the sky, do whatever the F you want, dude. Because anyone asking me to buy now, do whatever the F you want. I'm not telling you crap. You had your chance, dude. You had your chance every day. I'm here 7 days a week, dude. No excuse. I mean, XRP, like, is up. Congrats, dude. It's not even really that special. I mean, it's a great setup. It's a great trade setup. Well off the entry, right? We held that Eurasian step zone so well. Cap up. Yeah, we already looked at FIL coin today. But, yeah, you're interesting levels, and if you break them, there's a lot of upside. Just rewind the stream, dude, if you want to. I mean, I don't know. How does that work? Like, if you request an asset and I've already looked at it and did a deep analysis of it, am I scamming if I don't go back to it to do another in-depth analysis? Because I think I wouldn't do as good of a job redoing it, Probably do better on the first one. Chat, is it scamming? I don't know. So what are these pings, dude? Yeah, dude, it's just like...
And then, just like that...
There was hype in the chat. Yep. Hype in all chats. Hype in Patreon chat, hype in general chat, hype in the live chat. We have a World War III going on of hype on 3 different fronts. It's pretty lit, dude. People are saying no. Not really, but... Not a scam. Just telling the minute to get to. I don't know the minute, dude. I'm rolling. We're going. I don't know, dude. I guess I can. Look, this is how much, you know, damage it's gonna do to me. Okay, here it is. FIL. You get above 23 bucks. Gonna almost double, right? 65% upside if you break 23.71. I mean, I think above 20 bucks is really interesting. I think if you stay above that long enough, you might back test it in a few days or something, but just understand lowest risk areas ever. It's just a massive underperformer. That's why we just like other assets, right? Because there's just so many that are better than this, that have just performed better than this. But it doesn't mean it can't pull a DGB or some sort of V-chain or whatever, dude. Yeah, it's just like many others, okay? 14.4%. Congrats. Has it made a higher high yet? Not even. Nope. That's crazy, dude. There it is. I did it, man. No one can be mad. There you go, Kyle. Oh, Frank. IDEX. Let me guess, dude. It probably looks okay, but not like unbelievable. What exchange? On Binance. I'm on Binance. It's pretty terrible, dude. I mean, this is not a very good request. I mean, I get what you're doing. Maybe it's okay. You know, maybe it actually is. Let me see the US dollar. It's better, more data or something. There is more data. Oh, okay. This makes it a lot better. And this is like, okay, I gotta look at the right exchanges or just the right charts with the correct amount of data. I think you lost like 88% of your value, right? I mean, so out the gate, value perceived area. Perfect. Okay. That's okay. Good. So what else? We have an inflection point. We have a high back from August of 2020 that is being sprung and back tested, not once, but twice. This is actually literally incredible. This is unbelievable. This is so good. Based on what we know about just Wyckoff and Wachowski and Carney, right? I mean, you could just look at this like, you know, that swing low. Yeah, it's like an effing like Gartley Bartley. You know, it's like the M shape. I do love this. I think this is incredible because it's like, maybe it's not perfect. Okay, it's a little off. It is an informal M shape, but on the informal M shape, you have a type 2 return, and the type 1 and type 2 return just happen to be back testing the effing spring on the daily. So actually, immense upside, massive upside. Wow. It's actually pretty good, man. Impressive. I would say if you were going with this, you would just target for 37 to 41 cents. I don't think you can't settle for anything less, dude. You got to. Dude, let's go, crypto. What a moon! He says, ICO can't be a session top Jesus, man.
Crypto_hoarder tip $255.17. I usually tip during down days, but sent IT 0.078000000 ETH.
Thanks, Crypto Hoarder, man. How you doing, Dad? You got friends over? Tell your friends I say hello and sorry for
it's China to
disrupting
me,
their friend time with
China.
you.
Your whole enterprise is a scam, dude. About 6 weeks ago, you and Scott said BTC will go down to 18K.
I never said 18K.
Rewind the stream, guys. Faced with Monaco.
No, I didn't say 18,000. Yeah, imagine me. I never make calls like that. There was the chance if the equities market didn't collapse and never develop the bullish divergence, the Bitcoin would continue down. But one thing we were saying many times, how many times the sheer outperformance of Bitcoin from January 24th to the equities, massive outperformance. And now you're seeing it play out. When you outperform on the way down, if the macro reverses, you will outperform on the way up. That's happening right now. So that's bullcrap, though. That is complete bullcrap. So you can say whatever you want, man. Clearly you aren't a patron, because dude, I mean, if you're a patron, you know how real all this is, right? How many charts do I gotta ping you on? You know, every effing day, multitude of times. That's crazy, dude. Yep, nothing about certainties. But I can understand, like, you know, the jealousy. Clearly, I'm getting showered with tips every day. Someone's going to be mad about it because their life sucks. That sucks, dude. But yeah, this thing's IDEX trade setup, dude. Okay, you could play it like this, man. Play it like this. It kind of sucks because you're up pretty good. I wish we were a little lower, but you know, if we're not settling for, you could settle for A being a target and still have a valid, equitable position here, right? Just I would think stop right there. Below that, we'll see. Ethereum, dude. It's doing it. It's actually a little lower. Right there. Ethereum's pumping, chat, like crazy. Damn. All right, so that's still a little right there. Something like that, okay? And then you would just go with A being 1 if you wanted, just in case it failed to get to the top. And then the candle high closed back from right here. Clearly inflection from September 27th. 1, 2, and then you could just do 3. Your third target could be just
GRT/USDT at low risk areas didn't disappoint the previous rally. Have a good Sunday, Mitch.
What's up, Reddit? GRT. Oh my god, low risk areas. It was showing the harmonic. It already blasted off from that area. Oh, dude, what else is so good about it? Look at your daily bullish divergence on the type 2 return, man. Crazy. Yeah, dude, this is kind of it. It's really tight stop. You could actually literally get away with a much looser stop to make it 3 to 1. But well, why not, man? It's, you know, IDEX. There you go, dude. And it's like, oh, if this wasn't good enough, you know, it's like if you didn't have enough trade setups that are already well off their entries, here's another one. Just, and it's education, man. It's, yeah, that's what it's about. These trade setups, you don't have to take action on them, but you will learn stuff. You will effing learn. And that's the most important thing. Education-centric stream. It's not about being right or wrong. But again, you know, only losers will, you know, have that mentality. Try to crap on my parade. Like, it's like, that shows you no matter what you do, right? The DGB thing, like, it doesn't matter. There's always going to be some crazy psycho person out there who's got voids in their own lives that they project on us. Informal harmonic, okay? This is not an actual real, you know, it's a little deep, 65%, 886. It's a combination, but I think it's perfect. I think it's there's too many things going on with it. All right? So, we'll see what happens on IDEX. Okay, FTM. Did I already look at FTM? No. FTM was kind of like the one that I was just like, nah. Ugh. Because it's like, it would have made way too much sense if it went to 113 for it. But it didn't. It couldn't go to 113. And it's just rallying now. You know, I guess there's just too much divergence. 106. You know, this one just, I didn't like it. I still don't like it as much as many others, right? It's not giving us a type 2 return. It's not hitting true formal pattern completion zones, right? The divergence is there, but you know, I like the ones that are like DGB was, like Bitcoin Cash was, like XLF, like XRP. They're like showing the completion of these M shapes at inflection points. This one just didn't quite get there. So I just, it's there, but whatever, you know. Snipes, we know. Dude was just poor. He's just a poor dude. Yeah, anyone can tip and just say literal bullcrap. I mean, they can just lie, you know, like that dude. Sure. And we're at 46,550 right now. Still up about $2,000. Not our session highs yet, but it'll be interesting the next 2 hours what goes on. You know, it's tough to get away when this happens. So that's your FTM, dude. Like, kind of one of the only ones that's just kind of like, man. It doesn't mean it's not going to rally upward, right? It just means, like, I would prefer to have the same cake baking argument we have, right? We've had forever, right? It just doesn't have it. Filecoin. Let's see. Oh, GRT for Reddit. Yep. Look at this, dude. Solid. I mean, it looks pretty good, dude. I don't know. You know, it was 113. It bounced. It's been doing nothing. God, for half a month, 2 weeks, right? Let's go, knock, man.
Let's F go. Shout out to everyone. Mitch, Magic Mitch, winking face. Hope you had a great dinner last night and your family are doing awesome.
I did. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I did have a great dinner. I don't know. It was actually didn't live up to the hype, but what are you gonna do? But it was a good time with fam. And thanks for that 109. That's crazy, dude. Like $109. You tipped me 100 euro, which that's always like, oh, remember, like it's like 120, 119, and now it's 109, dude. It's getting close. US dollars getting closer and closer to flipping the euro, dude. Wow, that's noticeable. With GRT, it looks like it's rectangling after an impulse and probably setting up for 50 cents. That's the big area. If you ever break 50 cents, you're going to 75 cents. So GRT obviously lost all its value. And can't say it wouldn't in lower risk areas. I think if it continues around 50 cents, above 50 cents, 75 cents. That simple, dude.
I am not into crypto trading, don't know how, but love this community. I will learn and learning slow. Love that crypto hoarder guy, big heart. And same as you, thumbs up. I try saving up for Patreon. THX for all.
What's up, Leo, dude? Thanks so much for the Canadian super chat, dude, and the kind words for crypto hoarder and me. Yeah, crypto order is a big heart, man.
Keeps move up with the market, seeing a fall wedge and double bottom. Is it ready for higher highs?
What's up, Jason, dude? Well, that was just another one of those, an extension pattern. Yeah, Uniswap was just a butterfly. Yeah, the butterfly, right? The 1272, the bullish divergence, but it just really wasn't at like a major inflection point yet. It didn't quite get there. $7. It's okay. Yeah, I would think your target here from where it is now will be $13 to $14. It's just the zone of inflection, right? If you ever broke $14, that's where you might see insane markups. Crazy stuff. Yep. Psycho crazy stuff above $14 on Uniswap. That's your level. Okay. Very nice butterfly though. It means it meets the threshold too. You know, like 70% retrace on B. It's perfect. Type 2 return kind of. I mean, you can kind of see it 1 and 2 here. Yeah. I mean, it's. I prefer like a much larger, reaction to make it like, the peak higher, so you have more discernible lows. But it's kind of there. Yeah. It's,
lots of price data, not the tether bear. Appreciate it, bro.
What's up, Frank W, man? Thank you, dude. We'll look at Elf Coin. Wow, no one's requested that in 3,000 years, dude. It was the second age. The end of the second age was the last time someone requested Elf, dude. Sauron was going, and it was the battle of the last alliance, dude. All right. So that's your uni. $14. After $14 could go berserk. $20 maybe. So wow, Bitcoin 46,660. Woo, this thing is spicy. So is total, man.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei. Spicy total market.
I like turtles.
2.21 trillion is the target eventually, right? It is. Literally is. And in 2 hours, 7 minutes, it'll be the highest daily candle close since January 16th. Very, very nice, man. So yeah, Uni, you're on your way. There's more upside, it seems. Dude, really? The dude who's too poor to tip. Water was a trade setup that hit targets, by the way. You're crazy, man. Long time ago too. Wow. Give me a sec. Should be looking the other way. Let me just do it like this. Ugh, so annoying, dude. Stupid Discord search engine's so trash, dude. Okay, let's go to Elf. Hey, Mitch Hader, I know you're poor. Your life is trash. You hear that? You gonna rage quit yet, baby?
Crypto_hoarder tip $1,018.69. You the man, Mitch. Haters get wrecked. 0.31000000 ETH.
Yeah, you want to hate, man? It's not good for your mental health. Call the hotline if you're a hater of me. Yikes. Keep seething, though. We'll keep winning. Thanks, Crypto Hoarder, man. The more you hate, the better things get for me. So keep it up, bro, if you want to. It's like so dumb, dude. So you can't win. Okay, let's see some more data on this one, man. Thank you, Hoarder, dude. Seriously, holy crap, man. You the Jesus, dude. Oh. Wow, yeah, that's the last time we looked at it was the Second Age, right? Sauron got devastated in June. I like this above, holy crap, this is really good. Above 34 cents is that high from May of 2019. Probably like just a little zone. Yeah, a little zone, spring back test of spring. This is pretty good here. I mean, you know, it's like it was closer. That's like your low risk entry area, I guess, right? If it holds like that, double bottoms, it's kind of crazy scam wicks and all, but upside, dude, there could be a lot of upside on Elf like many others. This thing lost what, 78% of its value, which is pretty good. That's outperformance. No, it lost 88. Oh my god, dude, you see this 886? Wix touched it twice. It double bottomed at the 886. Unreal. This stupid amazing, dude. And now it's like your low, your lowest low, you matched your lowest low, and now a higher low. Momentum is shifting on Elf, and it held a very critical level of inflection where we know below it is the abyss. So the upside, massive. Based on what you see from history from 2018, look at the straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down stuff, and then the straight up, straight down stuff, right? So, I mean, I'm thinking like, your target eventually on Elf is probably 81 cents if this holds, dude. I know it's way up there, but like it not much makes too much sense. All right, I guess you could be like one candle high close from April 2021. Your first target could be 53 cents, but dude, you gotta be swinging for 81 cents on Elf, above 30 cents. Okay, it's just gotta be 46,600 plus still on Bitcoin, man. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Maybe you're a hater, keep seething. Yikes. That's it, dude. You were a king above 30 cents. That's your cutoff, though. You don't want to be messing with this asset below 30 cents. It's already confirmed that the bottom's in. All right, so 53 cent target, 81 cent target. Boom, one and two. That's it. Elf coin. Speaking in Elvish. All right. Bruh, you must be getting in late, Brian, because we already looked at comp coin. It's an active trade setup. No, you just trolling me, dude. Positive trolling. I love positive trolling, dude. Okay, you're Ralph. I'm waiting on these TTS to come in, dude, because it's gonna be interrupting TTS. I'm gonna start. Yep. See, there it is.
Have you ever heard of CompCoin? Chart doesn't look too good. What's your opinion? Hey, just giving you a hard time. Thanks for helping us dummies. Been a long time sub. Hi Mitch, please look at the daily and weekly for hot used holochain. Thanks, brother.
Thank you, Tim and Brian, for simultaneous super chats. Comp, we don't need to look at it. You looked at it and you were kidding anyway. I take it you're probably a patron if you said that. Yep, and then Tim, we'll look at Holochain Connect. Yep. Your favorite S-Coin. Your favorite Beanie Baby. Okay, so insane elf. Let's see. Hot, yeah, I guess Hot was next. What's up, Rodney?
Haters gonna hate. Always enjoy the education TA. Tendies soon on UNG.
What do you mean? Tendies, it's like a
0.005905 ETH.
UNG's been everlasting gobstopper, right, since it backtested the stream, man, or the backtested the spring, sorry, right? $6, UNG, or NG1, okay? Thank you, dude, for the wonderful Irwin Coffee contribution, dude. Fuels this stream. Wait, I think we have it, don't we? Yeah, listen to this. It's an old sound clip. Most of y'all won't even remember it. Listen.
TA with Mitch Ray, brought to you by Irwin Coffee.
Been so long, man. I forgot I even had those. That we even made those, dude. God. Okay. We'll have to make a new one for Crypto Hoarder too, because we had one for Vet Moonboy. All right, Holochain. That might have been too quiet. I don't even know y'all heard that. Oh my god, dude! Like, they're just another one. What are you doing? And it's like you hit these levels, and you hold them, and you diverge like insane, and you pump. You're up 36%. Wow, dude! It's just not on my watch list. Should be. I can't. It's just tough to put all these things on your watch list. But we were here at some point. It was at some level. I'm just gonna add it. Whatever. It made the cut, dude. There you go. Whoops. Wrong exchange. So we'll never not scan through it again. Okay. But yeah, target on this 9.5 tenths of 1 cent. That's it. Kind of crazy that like the shark, the scam wick, I think was the 113, which is weird. Right, but yeah, one bottom, a second bottom at this critical level and breaking back above it. Things like this can happen. That's the same thing about like Chili's, you know. That's the same thing kind of like Band, B-A-N-D. And they could do the same thing that Hot has done now. And I think there's, look at the price action history. Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. Why not straight up again? It's already started. It's already done doing the straight up again. It's just not all the, it's like straight up. It hasn't completed the up yet when it goes to 9.5 tenths of 1 cent. Okay. 50% retrace also would be probably a decent target. 50%, it's like 1 penny. Yeah, that's your X marks the spot on HOT. But he asked about maybe the weekly or something. Daily and weekly. We're on the daily here, but the weekly. Your weekly. Engulfing candle last week, fall through this week. Wow. You want to talk about insane? You hadn't seen positive momentum on this asset since November 29th. You're about to see it next week, most likely. I don't know. I'd still stick with the same kind of targets, though. It's pretty phenomenal, man. I figured, like, you know, it could have gone down to 2.6. Oh, wait, it already did on the scam wick. You know, it's crazy. Yeah. Yeah, it was kind of like that request, last request. We go back to Bitcoin for a second. as we make the rounds, it's incredible, dude. I mean, you're about to go positive on the weekly. You hadn't seen positive momentum since November. It's freaking amazing, dude. Okay. Yes, last week was so good. The engulfing candle closing back above the zone that we needed to be above. It's great, dude. 52 to 53K target from here. Sorry, just reading. Oh yeah, did gold open? Commodities market reopen now? Yeah, we're in business, chat. Gold's back in business for the market being open again. It reopened, but it's at a resistance and hasn't broken it. But you think once 1963 breaks, boom, straight up, because that's like your last resistance till all-time highs. It's crazy. Gold and silver, solid uptrends, and that could continue. What's going on? Oh yeah, and by the way, if you're in here, like all these trade setups off their entries really well, some of them more than others, but you know, remember the first of the month's coming up. First of the month is the billing cycle for Patreon, so if you want to join, the best day is to join on the 1st, April 1st. Yeah, it's not an April Fool's joke either, so that's the best way to support the channel, but it's also like, you know, educational resources in there like crazy, very active membership, like the chat, the premium chat, and then like the trade setups. Incredible. All my charts, you get access to all my charts. I spam them like almost every day, so a lot of value in there. If you want to learn more about technical analysis, that's what you do, and you want to support the channel. So I gotta say that because, you know, it's coming up.
Can we take a look at AVUSDT on Pangolin, please, and thank you.
AVE, not AAVE. God, dude, this is like, that's what I'm talking about. 18,000 S coins, not Lind, but Lind's scuffed brother on Pangolin, dude. Pangolins are so cute. He actually meant AVE, not AAVE. Dude, I can't do anything here, man. Right? Like, you want to look at this? All it does is lose, man, right? That's its thing. It's just kind of into losing. Scam. Looks like a scam to me, man. Big scam. No edge. Nothing. I wouldn't touch this with your money. I wouldn't even touch it with the haters' money, right? Coming in here, talking crap, tipping, mentally ill, tipping to talk crap, but then gets BTFO by Crypto Hoarder and everyone else. I wouldn't even put his money in AVE. It's that bad. I don't care if it goes up. Congratulations on putting all your money down on red and it lands on red that one time at the roulette table. Congrats. That's what happens when this thing goes up. Why would you want to own something like this? It's your money. You work hard for it, dude. Why put it in this trash? Spoiler alert, you wouldn't. You wouldn't. You got to move on, man. I'm sorry. I appreciate the contribution, but screw this coin. Scam to the US dollar tether. That's pretty much its real ticker. Yep.
Appreciate the trade setups in Discord. When you are ready to look at 420 stocks, how about TLRY?
You're so crypto plumber, man. Thanks for 20, dude. I mean, we can look at it right now. I don't care. I mean, Bitcoin's not at its session highs, and I've got that on my chart. I'm looking at it always. So as soon as Bitcoin hits the session highs, I'll drop what I'm doing and go right back to Bitcoin. That's what we do. Weed stocks, you know, closed right now, but we can love, man. Yeah, you can imagine what weed stocks have done on the news. Yes, record volume, highest volume, guess what, you've ever seen in your entire life. Tilray, what did it do? Full reset. How did it start? How's it starting again? Only after, you know, massive M shapes. God. I think you're like lower risk here, right? I mean, if you've lost 88% plus your value from your low to that high,
did you
you're
already
below
cover
95.
Jasmine? LOL.
Read. Thanks a lot, man.
Is that a joint?
Yeah, dude. We looked at it before Bitcoin, before the stream. Thanks, dude. I mean, you know, I guess you confirmed the bottom. It was a 95. It was it was terrible. It showed bullish divergence on the second low and it's rallied off of that, but it was really the news that, you know, the bill's getting put in front of Congress or whatever this week coming up or something. So just imagine what happens if it passes. I won't even be able to imagine what these things are going to do. These things could go insane if like federal legalization of cannabis passes in the United States. Oh my God, dude. It's like, it sucks though. It's up 22%, but you could imagine, look what's really happening. It's like the monthly is double bottoming. Oh my God, dude. Look at this on the monthly, chat. You cannot ignore this. This is like, yeah, it's up 22%. Well, you might just have to take an L for a week if it goes down 10% from now. But look at this. First time on the monthly, no one knows. Second time, everyone knows. And the catalyst. Why would it confirm its bottom here? Because it becomes federally legal. Yeah, dude. Incredible, dude. I mean, you know, the upside on the monthly is like legit 24.42. You're at 8.56, man.
CRSR.
What's up, Moppus, dude? What's up, Frank? Thank y'all. Yes. All right. Tilray, dude. I mean, it's like you could probably look at all these different S coins, or not S coins, sorry. These weed stocks, and they're probably showing. They've probably lost all their value, and they're kind of trying to confirm bottoms on significant time scales. Yep. Good stuff, man. Upside potential on the monthly. So this could take, you know, call me in a year. I mean, 200% upside on the monthly. Nice Morningstar Doji reversal. That's a morning Doji star reversal, and now you have a confirmed morning Doji star reversal last month with the follow through. It closing in 3 days, 22 hours. So that's a massive potential bullish Japanese candlestick reversal right there. Yep. Okay. Weekly too, you could like, oh yeah, it's double bottoming. One bottom, two bottoms. Bullish divergence on the weekly. Holy crap. MACD. Okay. IOTX. Oh, it's just another S coin, huh? Yeah, it's solid. Pretty solid here. Hidden bullish divergence on the weekly. Oh my goodness, like just undeniable. Yeah, undeniable weekly divergence here. Massive double bottom on the daily. Oh yeah, man, this thing could go insane. Long-term uptrend is your friend. Like a 95% retrace from your previous lows from September of last year. Just 1 and 2, right? Massive double bottom. You're at the 200-day moving average. All you gotta do, you gotta break this resistance though. I'm gonna get that anchoring, just 1 and 2 here. Yeah. So you're at inflection point, and if this plays out, I'm thinking you would just go with.
Check out low, super low risk, high return opportunity.
Sure.
Deep crab on daily. PCZ was the 22nd of December 2021. Stay blessed, my friend.
What's up, Eddie, dude? Thank you, man. Yeah, sure. We'll look at another weed stock. But can you see how the supply line's being broken here? You're breaking it, and you're just kind of consolidating bullishly and holding it. Seems like you're holding it, but you got to break 10 cents. You break 10 cents. It's gonna be nice. Daily. So I really anchored all these in the 4 hour. My bad. So 13 cents after 10, and then after that, I don't even think 16 cents is much of a big deal. Dude, look at the higher lows. Look at the trend you're in. You only make higher lows, higher highs. The most recent discernible events on the weekly for IOTX is all-time highs, the highest high of all time, and the highest low of all time. The highest low of all time giving us a potential double bottom. Yeah, upside could be insane. And I would think like, you know, Fibonacciing from the high to the low here could help you with targeting, where we know, like, just the golden zone itself between the 382 and the 618. Right there, between 14 cents, 13.9 cents, and 18.6 cents. Those are your reasonable moderate targets. If you want to be more aggressive, 786, 886 up here, 22 cents and 24 cents. Yeah, it's nice. It's confirming a bottom's in already, and it's up very well off of that second bottom, right? Stair stepping, only accumulation, only more market participants owning the asset than they did every time before on their bottoms. That's nice. Nice stuff. Okay. I'm sure nice channel. Yeah, I can see it. I can understand. Yep. Log scale channel. Yep. Okay, well, if we're going linear and we're just trying to trade it, it looks good too. Okay, next request. Another non-S coin. Another non crypto. Yeah, you have a type 2 return on Corsair. Gaps all filled. 88% retrace achieved. That's it, dude. Type 2. I mean, you're talking... This is it, man. If you want a position trade on Corsair, here it is. First time, no one knows. Nice rally. Sell off. Second time, everyone knows, right? This should be it. Now it goes down again. All you got to do is stay above 1818 eventually, right? But yeah, this I would think that it would be reasonable to believe that this has maybe 33% upside. It'd be like $30 would be like targets up there. But then 35 after that, and then, my God, insane. At 44 after
USD and BTC need targets, please. BTW, have you launch controlled that M5 CS yet? It's insane.
Launch controlled? I don't know what that means. Oh, I don't have an M5 CS. Those are like, they marked them. Anyone that's on the free market now is $200,000. So I was just like, nah, I'm good. I just was good with this, just the M5 competition, which was still really expensive, but whatever. Bitcoin almost at session highs right now, but Corsair, yes, beautiful. This is like, yeah, it could be on its way, man. This is where reversals happen all the time. How many M-shaped type 2s, 886s you got to see in your life before you be like, yeah, man, it's kind of low risk down here. Okay, that's your Corsair. Lowell Farms, rival competitor to Tegrity Farms, chat. You're right, dude. This is legendary. I mean, this like has all the makings of a Varsity Athlete Eddie. Yeah, it's a shark. It exceeded it. It's like a 95% retrace. It's beautiful. It's literally amazing. Scott Carney probably be like, holy crap, dude, you kidding me? You know, of course, you know, it's the hop, whatever, 95% retrace. I'm fine with that. Yep, bullish divergence. Now convergence. Yeah, dude, this is... I would think your first target from here is 78 to 90 cents. The next, nothing else makes sense. Okay, so if it's really going to reverse here, which it looks like it might be with the higher low locally.
Trading at 0.80C currently. Thanks.
Thanks, dude. Sure. All right. He's right. Lowell Farms Incorporated, gonna pump with Tegrity Farms, and that means it's gonna double in value or higher. Like your target here is over doubling, like 123 to 150% upside from here, and that's just like conservative. We're talking like, what if you were aggressive targeting for the top of the harmonic? You're talking like 180, 215, but it seems like it could be way more significant. Remember, after drawdowns like this, when these patterns present themselves and they begin to reverse, it's a cyclical thing. It's not just a trade. It's like the entire thing is shifting. What would the narrative shift be on the harmonic? Federal legalization of cannabis. Oh, that's what happened. Yep. Don't even be surprised if eventually this insane stuff happens. All right? Yeah, weed stocks. Please pay attention to them because things are happening. You said deep crab. Dude, look at that, man. We IPO'd, man. We're 11.14 and wow, that did not end well, right? Over $11 and then you bottom out at 17 cents. That's okay, dude.
Saw the crypto market pumping and knew you'd be live, and there you were. You're such a fixture in May of our lives. Thank you.
Sorry, AJ Productions. It's not May. It's only March still. So, thank you, though. I appreciate it. Glad you made it. But look at this. I know it's not Bitcoin and crypto that's pumping like madmen right now, but this thing, dude, is not a joke. How many of these you got to see in this context? I just got to ping patrons on this, dude. Holy crap. Nice one, Eddie. Oh, Crypto Hoarder, what's up, man? What's going on? All these pings, dude. Okay, sorry. Let's go to some other random S coin. Well, we're about to not. We're about to be going to Bitcoin because it's about to be session highs. We're about to hear a beep soon. Holy crap. YFI. Screw YFI. What about YFII? It's up like 30+% from the entry of the trade setup. What? You know, this one though, at the same time, it's not like it's incredible. I mean, it was like, look, 18,354.
I am March/April and walk away and may still valid. Ha ha ha, shout out to Scott Carney, the legend as well.
What's up, Reddit? Thank you for the threes. Yep. If he's still in here, man, shout out Scott Carney. But look, dude, okay. Below 18,354 was certain death. It was literally, oh, you're going to $7,500 because you've never done anything but straight up, straight down, straight up. So you were going to go straight down. But what happened? The index funds began to develop and continued to develop, hit it, or classic bullish divergence, the most classic bullish divergence or seller exhaustion we had seen since the bottom of the COVID crash. That was noted. Kept failing and failing and failing to have bearish breakdowns below those critical areas, even though it kept doing it, kept rallying back above. And once they recovered, the risk on assets held. So this thing that was gonna collapse if they didn't hold, if the equity markets didn't hold, they did. And now look at it. So I think your target's 30 grand here, $30,000 YFI in time. Okay, that's just what I think. Okay, up 4% on the day. That's it, dude. Okay, YFIE. What was the request? 30K, 39.5, 43K if you wanted 3 targets. There you go. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. Zindico. All right, I'm still paying attention to Bitcoin chat. Like I'm telling you, I know I see it. I've got it scaled too. So once we hear the beat, once we hit session hours, I'm going right back to Bitcoin. Just we're getting to these requests while I'm doing this. Somehow this 30-minute live stream turned into a 1 hour 43-minute live stream. What the is going on, dude? I have no memory of this place. No memory. What will be the most valid? I mean, it looks like maybe a wedge or something.
I forgot to check my request yesterday. $T and $VAX.
What did I? No, I looked at AVAX. I remember. Yeah, someone back me up if I'm wrong here. I looked at AVAX, right? It's kind of tough here. Where am I anchoring for a wedge? Something like that, and it like broke out and then like dumped again, but it's holding. Kind of diverging. I mean, like, you know, it's not at a real major inflection point, is it? Let's see. Candle high close here. And then it held here. It was a support, it was a resistance, it was support, you're back above it. Okay, so I'll say this. If TLOS, whatever this S coin is, stays above 77.5 cents, based on history, $1.
From Dublin.
$1.
Love you, macro perspective. PLS, look at the XE on the Monty and draw a trend line across all the lower highs. We are right at resistance. Cheers.
Thank you, dude. J-Mac coming in from, was it Ireland? Yeah, Dublin, Ireland. Thanks, man. It's not too late over there because I'm live early. So thanks to, I guess we only did DXY. Sure, US dollar. Yeah, I guess that's your big line in the sand here on TLOS for the requester. Okay, stay above this level long enough and your upside could be, what is that, 20%? Something like that. 32% to 42%.
So I'm adding a VAX smile.
Huh? What does that mean? I don't understand. I'm confused. Thank you, dude. Yeah, I mean, right, it's not a harmonic. It could go deeper and it'd be a way better entry if you did make a harmonic here. But nevertheless, if you don't get down those levels, you stay above some sort of support, maybe it's better. $1 from here. But below 77 cents, remember, 50 cents is your target. It's all about ifs, the ifs. If it holds, okay. And it is showing bullish divergence on the daily now. You hadn't seen positive effing momentum since February 11th, so that's probably, you're overdue, right? Yep. Let's see here. Really confused. There's probably more data. I mean, if you're going to request crazy S coins that I've never heard of in my entire life, I mean, you probably need to give me the exchange too. But clearly an M shape, type 2 return. Yeah, you had some sort of a little too deep here for anything. It's probably not a formal harmonic. You know, that happens. You get M shapes that are not formal harmonics, that are textbook, because they're too effed up. Yeah, like too deep, this is nothing. It can't be anything. But 100%, yeah, it's literally nothing, but it still is an M shape, okay? Because it looks like an M. Okay, so 1 time, 2 times. Your target on this is 8.9 cents, the top of the range. That's it. Okay, see you at 8.9 cents eventually. So what is that? What kind of upside do you have here? Even right now, you still have 40% more upside on this asset, okay? That's your QI to US dollar tether on Binance, because you didn't give me an exchange, so I just go to the one I want to. All right, that's it. Pretty simple. Bitcoin 46,700 again. We're up almost $2,200. Come on, dude. Okay. Let's see if I can try to sneak into DXY before Bitcoin keeps pumping, dude. What an uptrend, dude. What a freaking uptrend on DXY, man. It's crazy. Can you imagine what happens when it does dump? Oh my god, right? It's just crazy. I think it's crazy that what's up with that? Oh my god, dude. I gotta go to Bitcoin chat. I can't look at the DXY right now. I can't do this. Let's go, chat. We're at session highs. Session highs. Partial decline, by the way. Anyone remember the partial decline? If we saw 45.5 again, 70% chance of a we couldn't even say breakout. It happened so fast, man. So I'm serious. You want to talk about something? Cue the sound clip. I don't even know where it is. I still haven't put this on my stupid soundboard. I'll probably never find it. And there it is.
TA respected.
Very good, dude. Right? That's exactly what happens, Larry. And blue skies till $50,000 plus. I mean, that's reality. It may not get there immediately, but that's the reality. There's not really any resistance here now. It's done. You broke the rectangle.
Just in time for the weekly candle close LFG.
Not just in time, really. We got an hour and a half, man. God, you know, to make it for the weekly candle close, I gotta hang out for another. I've already been live for about 2 hours now, so I gotta be live for another hour and a half, chat, to get that. Because I want to be here for that. It's just tough, man. And inertia is so strong right now. It's tough to get away. You know. Maybe we should just make another coffee or something. Just get jacked. And be sure to join the Discord if you haven't, right? I mean, like, what are you doing with your life if you're in here and you're not in the Discord?
Can we see Dent USDT Binance?
Bruh, y'all just... Could you look at literally every S coin in the entire world? My Beanie Baby's better than these other ones that are presented. Like, it's just like you're just getting to a point where it's like, I highly doubt you're probably gonna find stuff better than all these other ones we've already discovered, right? I mean, you know. Okay, join the Discord because that's like, I'll be going live at random times. When things like this happen, right? So you will not get notified by YouTube when I go live at random times because everyone relies on like, oh, he goes live at a static time, 7 p.m. Eastern every day, right? Every day. For years, 6 p.m. or 7 p.m., whatever, daylight savings time. But when I go random times, I go live at random times, you won't know unless you're in the Discord. You do get pinged. 100% certainty you get pinged in Discord. So that's why you would really do it. But, you know, it's where the conversation continues when the stream inevitably ends, right? So... we're just sitting at the highest highs we've seen in months. I mean, we're pretty much about to be at the highest prices we've seen of the entire year on the 4-hour. I'm gonna add an alert once we hear the beep. We will celebrate. All right. So January 1st was. So we would say January 1st. That was the highest high ever. Right. Okay. So the highest high we ever saw in 2022 was, let's see, high 47,990. Okay, 47,991. Wait, 90 and 1 penny. I'm making it to where if we hear a beep, we will be at the highest price we've seen for 2022 by 1 penny. All right. So that is as close as it gets, right? Next time you hear the beep, chat. This is how close we are. Yeah, no, we've been waiting and waiting, man. Right? Waiting and waiting. Maybe I should just get another coffee at this point. Okay, I'm gonna get another coffee. It's right here, dude. Just hang tight. Just chill out, relax. I'll be here. It'll be like literally a minute. So, the coffee maker just keeps turning off. I don't know what happened. I'm so annoyed by it. Hold on. Like button, bell, sub, man. All right, sorry about that. I'm back. My bad. Look, when he turns off, it's got to rinse. Then you got to clean out the rinse. And then you got to brew it again. It's just annoying, man. Anyway, so thanks for sticking around. About 1,350 of y'all as we just stare at Bitcoin and near its session highs, near its highest highs of the entire year of 2022, and has breached and broken out of a rectangle that we have been confined in since its genesis and its development mid-January. These are just spectacular developments occurring, and you got to be really, really happy about it. Orange based on literally nothing, dude. Nice, not an argument. So anyone can just say random words, dude, without an argument. So no one cares. Dang, dude, nice to see everyone joining the Discord. Holy crap, man. It's a lot of y'all. Very, very nice. Spamming it again, right? Sorry, chat's kind of content right now. I don't know. You know, when chat gets lit, man, it kind of gets tough to not just stare at it and read it because there's just so much stuff. But yeah, I mean, like, you know, being live for 2 hours of just kind of pure charts and kind of just like taking a breather, sipping this coffee. You know, there's just good stuff everywhere. And Dash is having a pretty good day. Nice. You know, remember where Dash is an active trade setup well off its entry, actually closer, way closer to its first target, the trade setup around 142. Fantastic. It was fantastic, and, you know, I know multiple patrons are long on this alternate bat, type 2 divergence. Very nice. Yep, so could be much higher though. Great. And Bitcoin Cash, remember Bitcoin Cash, same. It is the butterfly, type 2, is rallying up 3%, kind of underperforming today, but the upside's immense. I mean, I think you could go to $500 from here eventually, so just hang tight. There's no bearish divergence, you're not overbought, everything's solid for more upside on a lot of these altcoins. BNB, catching a little, finally catching, dude, this is massive, okay? 429 is not a joke. This is the area we've been talking about forever, right? 429 developed, or it was created, manufactured April 18th, 2021. You're trying to breach that right now. You're trying to make your first higher high since November on BNB. You break 430, you're going to $500, man. If we knew, it's like you're either in this, waiting to get stopped out, or you're in this, and you're waiting for it to moon. Well, it's starting to moon, starting to respect the TA.
DXY on the monthly or weekly even Mitch. Draw 2 trend lines across all recent
lower highs, yeah, slanted inverse head
macro
shoulder
perspective
stuff.
PLS.
Yeah, sorry, dude. Well, I can't help when we're at session highs, man. So imagine, don't be offended. If you're offended, dude, I'm gonna. Oh, music's like way too loud in bed. Sorry. What was that? Monthly recent lower highs. Yeah. Yeah, it's like breaking them. Yeah, it's crazy too, because it like, yeah, the supply line breached, right? Yeah, you made it, and then you tested and failed, but then you made this the higher low, and then you rallied. Now you're trying to break it. Yeah, you're right. You're not overbought either. I mean, you know, you'd think like if it's breaking the supply line, then there's some very real inflection points above you, 102 to 106. That's the big one. That's the big zone of inflection out there that you could be headed to. Sure, dude. Sure thing. All right, not really any point of spending too much time on that. Again, we're looking at a 46.8 Bitcoin right now, which is incredible. Yeah, the mass, it's like underperforming so bad. Dang, man, that monthly trend line, look how it sprung back, tested the spring a couple of times, starting to rally off of it. Dang, man, this is what happens when you're in an uptrend. Your bearish patterns, they can be reliable, but a lot of times they're unreliable. And if they do actually play out, which this one is or did, it massively underperforms and just becomes a form of consolidation for more upside. So, yep, massive uptrend. Look at your bullish pattern, your bullish harmonic and a bullish trend. Outperform like crazy. That's how it works. Yep. Very good. Whew. Man, what a beast. Give me 53K, 52K for a bread stream. Maybe we'll make a bread NFT. Crypto Hoarder, you think that'd be a good idea? We've never made a bread NFT. Okay, I'm gonna all caps need bread NFT to Chaylin. All right. Oh, yeah. Sorry, dude. It's kind of like a 2-hour live stream, and a lot of stuff's going on. So, yeah. Sorry. We'll look at your S coin. That mooned. You know, it mooned. Sure. Can't believe it mooned, dude. You know, this is your dent coin, right? I mean, like, was 886, 95% retrace from the low to high, right? So you get down to major inflection points. You break supply lines, you even back test them as support. And, you know, the upside, you know, you got this little high here from February, but once you break that, I think the upside would take you to 4.7 cents. So there's still, like, you're halfway there. But it's like straight down. Well, it's first off straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up, and eventually straight down. So I would think that again, 4.7 to 4.9 cents would be your would be the target here if you were long on this, Amar. Okay, this is Binance. Here it is. All right. Above that, you know, insane. Like above that, it's like crazy. It's like 8.5 cents. If you ever broke 0.5 cents. So there you go, dude. And it was an M shape, kind of an informal M shape, though. Way too deep on B and way too deep on D, kind of. So, but still, informal M, inflection point, chop. And this is where lower risk, right? There you go. Okay. So that was the last request. I didn't miss any now. Sweet. Yep. All right, Adam finally waking up a little bit. Shoot, man, about time. But you gotta love this, man. You talk about, oh, dude, I've missed out on all. Dude, like, look at Adam, man. You're talking $43 to $44 upside target, man. Oh my God, still like 40% up, 50% upside. What's up, Fried Cash? Thanks for the smiley face. Much love.
Hello, Batson. Hi.
Bread stream with boardroom to the bedroom voice. It would hurt hair.
My God, dude, my hair hurts so bad right now. Read. Thank you, dude.
Oh, it feels so good. Flocky / used any reason to pick a bag up? Or is it just a coin flip chance?
It's just a loser, dude. Binance Smart Chain loser bullcrap. Trying to get degen, low IQ, retail scrub FOMOers to buy because it's like a dog. It's Dogecoin. Dude, we could make something called Shiba because it's like a Doge, but it's the type of dog. Dude, it worked. And then some other idiots, dude, we could make this thing called Floki coin because Shiba, it worked, dude. Idiots bought it, man. Like, that's literally the thought process of the creation of these loser trash scams that maybe pump. Great. But I don't even get why we even want to look at it, dude. Why even put me in the situation? I don't want to look at that crap. It's a Doge within Doge within a Doge, dude. You don't get it. It's going to change the world. AMC is going to let you buy Floki coin to get into their movie theaters, man. We're over $2 trillion in total. That's great, man. That's great. Bro, it's about the community. Not all memes are scams, dude. Okay, dude. Like, I don't even want to look at it. You know, it's bullcrap, dude. It's such bullcrap. Dude, it's pumping, though. It's up 10% today, like a lot of other altcoins. Wow. Who cares, man?
Do you mind taking a look at Dollar CeeLo?
I mean, if you want, dude, sure. I think it looked good, right? I think we looked at, someone requested it yesterday or the day before. This is your Floki coin, dude. It made the lowest low ever. It hasn't made a higher high yet. Cool. Actionable long? I mean, I don't think so, man. Like, I mean, if you, dude, it could very well go up, man. And it's not because your loser S coin's not a scam. It just is because everything else is going up too. Your coin's not special. A rising tide lifts all ships, including the scams that lost everything. Look, this is what happened. Dude, all right. We're going to put millions of dollars into marketing. We got to make sure to pump this. All right, it pumps. All right, people that started the coin dumped everything, rug pulled on all the idiots that bought in at the top. And look what it did, all-time lows. But maybe, just maybe it's bottoming out again. Scam. I mean, just whatever. Wow. Yes, CLO, incredible, dude. Incredible. I mean, really, like, what a technical setup. You know, held supports, bullish divergence, 886 retrace. It's beautiful, dude. Right? So, I mean, I think there's more upside. Minimum 445 eventually. But the top of the range is 661 to 726. So, that's eventually where it could be headed.
Mitch, you are so funny on meme coins. Some have amazing TA. You should check out Daisy Doge, 99% down on June, and a triple bottom, Ham Pie Tea.
Your daily commitment to market analysis is a prime example of discipline equals freedom. Thanks for what you do, Mitch.
Thank you, David, for that redemption contribution, man. Much love. Thank you, dude. Yep. So anyway, Cello, yep, up 5.6% today. Looks solid. Looks, you know, like it could be headed higher. It's lower risk here, right? Like, oh wow, can you be surprised? It looks like many other assets across this entire market. Can't be that surprised, dude. Yeah, it's down 99%. Bottom must be in, dude. You just don't get it. You don't understand.
But if XC pumps, breaks out of long-term ease, does crypto reverse to the downside? All I'm presenting is another perspective. If XC dumps a rally and BTC will zoom. Also affects PMs.
I don't know about that.
Could be fake out as all remains TBC and EDM.
Remember, the DXY is like an aggregate of an aggregate of pairs tied to the US dollar, right? Like the euro to the US dollar, the Japanese yen to the US dollar, right? Maybe the pound to the US dollar. It doesn't necessarily mean that no Bitcoin is going to dump on that note, but it does mean, it literally does mean that like the other currency pairs are getting obliterated to the US dollar. That's what it does mean. So I don't think we can go as far as saying Bitcoin's going to get wrecked if the DXY keeps pumping. That's clearly not the case right now, is it? As the DXY keeps hitting its highest high in a long time, Bitcoin's recovering. So, nah, but yeah. I think your DXY's upside's limited, which is good. What did Hoarder do, man? I'm just saying, Hoarder, wow, you must be delayed on the stream or something. You don't want an honest opinion on what I think of something called T-King. You don't want an honest opinion, all right? And that's as far as I'll go with it. Okay, so we're off the session eyes on Bitcoin, man. Get wrecked. I'm not Ethereum alert when I didn't go to it. It's up 4%. Remember where we're thinking here, right? We've started a new wave.
Can you give an honest opinion on Dollar Tiki? First day of good price action and already bringing out the Moon Boys coin lovers.
Dude, yeah. Where were all these people, dude? Any other day besides today. They weren't here. They didn't exist. They're just here now. I told you. I might have yesterday said it. Our concurrent viewership will double. And all the Moon Boy FOMOers will come back. We're here. We just did it. In a 24-hour period. It's unreal. It's crazy. Oh my god, man. Like,
let's switch it up. How about a stonk? Halo, thanks, brother.
What's up, Joey, man? Halo? I mean, didn't the new TV series, the video game Halo come out, dude? I think. Or something. Someone clip what I said yesterday about all that FOMO Moon Boys being back and doubling concurrent viewership, blah, blah, blah. It's insane. Oh, therapeutic company? Might as well be an S-coin, dude. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't like it. I don't like things that are in long-term uptrends, then massive buying climaxes occur, and all of a sudden you just make lower highs, lower lows consecutively since March of 2021 for a year. I don't like that. I mean, it's cool that you might be bottoming out, but it doesn't ensure, when you double bottom, it doesn't ensure that your trend's reversing at all. You need to recapture highs consecutively, and after you recapture those highs, when you do sell off, you need to make a higher low than your previous lows to show that there is a form of accumulation happening again. But you don't have that yet. You're just in a downtrend, and you've been in a downtrend for a year. So it's cool you don't, until you recapture like your previous discernible highs around $41, you're still in a downtrend, man. You're in a correction. It's nice to see you fill the gap. But no, I think this could be going for a much deeper retrace. But yeah, it's like 50%. No, this is not something that I'd be looking at for an active trade right now. No, the momentum is not on your side right now. Give me a higher high, higher low consecutively, and then we'll talk about the long-term uptrend resuming. But you're in a correction right now, and that could continue. You rejected the 200-day simple moving average on Friday. Bad. Piercing line, bearish piercing line reversal on Friday, which is, again, that's a reversal to the downside candle, a lower high. Yeah, not bullish on this right now. Even though long-term uptrend, midterm correction, and that could continue. There you go, dude. Moving on. No, it is not 10 minutes to close. It is 1 hour and 10 minutes to close. Discord link. Keep joining the Discord, everyone. Otherwise, you will miss the random pump streams.
Agreed, fiats compared to fiats is pointless. But fiats compared to crypto and PMs, commodities is important, Timo. Hey, I be wrong plenty. If XC pumps and BTC does also, then we got real divergence. Until then, pause, fake out or no. PM's pulling back.
Dude, it's tough because it's like I don't know like how certain things are about it. I think different times in history there have been different outcomes, so you have maybe passing correlations, but yeah, not really sure, man. I think we have to keep it as simple as we can, and all we can do is like identify M shapes with type 2s with divergence and weekly divergence and stuff like that. It seems like the TA is being respected for now. I want to trigger everyone in the chat right now, okay though? I'm going to trigger you, and it's so easy. It's going to be so easy to trigger 1,371 people. All I got to do is go to the Bitcoin. Here it is. The US dollar tether chart on Binance. Watch this. Anyone triggered yet? Anyone triggered at all? Is anyone losing their minds? Rees in the chat. Rees in the chat. Dude, what's up, Jeff H, man? You feel for me? What does that mean? What do you feel for me, dude?
I feel for you, Mitch. SMH.
I'm confused. I don't know what that is in reference to. Breeze in the chat, yep, because it's like, oh, it could be a rising wedge, man, oh my god. Supply line, I guess, is going to be at like 48.3. Let's just pay attention to it, see what happens, man. I hope it just breaks at the upside, you know. I mean, it would be by itself, it'd be a lone resistance, right? There's nothing there. Like, I think it makes way more sense to go to 50 to 53K versus that, but we'll see. Sorry, and before everyone rage quits the stream. Dude, it's just, you know, look, really the way I had it was like that. That was more real, I think. Clear correlation in price so many times, right? And you broke it now. But at the same time, if you just do that, everyone loses their minds because it's now a rising wedge. There we go, man. Pump it, dude. Oh, we need a new Discord link. Oh, nice. We ran out of invites on that. All right, here we go. Here's the new Discord link, chat. Not cool, man. Not cool. Good news is there's nothing could happen to make at this supply line. Nothing could make us show that their buyers are exhausted. That's the great news, right? You're going to run up to this. There's not going to be an edge. So it's a really weaker argument, right? You normally, if you're like shorting on wedges, you want to make sure long-term downtrend, whatever, but like you want to make sure you have like buyer exhaustion at supply lines. There's no way it could happen. It can't happen. It's only going to be bullish convergence no matter where we top out now because we just took out all the highs. We just broke that massive 45.5 resistance, right? So that's the good news. I just wanted to show y'all because it's kind of funny. Whatever. Dang, man, what a stream so far. 2 hours, 17 minutes live. How do I make it, man? Another hour and 4 minutes, chat. What am I going to do with my hands? Yeah, Terra Luna, 10 billion in Bitcoin now. Dude, I love it, man. You got cryptos buying Bitcoin, man. Love you, Novograts.
Thanks for everything, Mitch. Do you mind taking a look at EGMF?
I mean, I don't mind, I don't think. You know, we're just here because we have confirmed, well, we have a breakout. It's not quite confirmed yet. It will be in an hour. And remember, oh my God, it's Evergrande. Yikes. No point in looking at Evergrande, dude. I mean, it's literally terrible, dude. It's actually terrible. Thanks, J-Mac, man, for the 2s. Yeah, I mean, like, I don't know why we would look at this. It's just devastated, dude. All-time lows, I guess. 25.2 cents OTC. You're below it. You're at 20 cents. It defaulted, like, you know, it's like Enron, I guess, that hasn't completely been delisted or something. I don't know, man. I'm not even gonna waste data charting this. There's nothing to do. It's like a loser. It's Enron of our times. That's it. That was it, dude. Sorry, JG Wentworth. Call JG Wentworth. Anyone see those commercials? Let's go back to DGB that has pulled back some from its massive, unbelievable rally, up 60% today. Would it be? But TA respected so hard. I mean, I want you to TA as hard as you can. You're TAing hard right here. It's my money and I want it now. That's it, dude.
Hi, Mitch. Sounds like the Jeju Doge crew are in tonight. Moon soon. Please can you cast your eye on Jeju Doge on the TA? The bottom is in, I hope. Thanks, bro. Love your stream. Thumbs up, thumbs up.
Maybe I should make a rule. If it's a derivation of something that has to do with a dog that's not Doge itself, the request amount would be $100. Right? You have to tip me $100 for me to look at something that is a dog, but it's not Dogecoin, right? I think that'd be fair. I think we might have to do this because it's so ridiculous. Make it 1,000 crypto hoarder. Now it's just like, you're such a bad guy for not wanting to look at these scams. I paid, man. I paid. Yeah, like, how do you even know this exists? Like, what are you doing? Like, there's so many opportunities and these people care about this. And it's just like, I don't understand where you are. You're not an active member of the community if you're caring about this. I'm going to look at it. Because he tipped 20 bucks and we didn't change the rules, you know, but here it is. It's like it gapped down, dude. It gapped down and it's open 24/7. It's a scam, a literal scam, dude. I can't even tell you. I don't even know what the F to tell you. It literally is here, but at one point it was here. That's like liquidity pool being withdrawn or something. I don't know. It's literally the worst thing maybe I've ever seen in my life. Okay, it's worse than Evergrande. There's your Jeju dog. They even missed. Yeah, no, they spelled D-O-G-E. I thought it was Doge. Oh my god, dude. Like, kill me, dude. Just kill me.
Can you check out /used Qcoin?
I think we're gonna do that though. Crypto Hoarder mods. Y'all got a problem with that? Right? Y'all got a problem with me like upping the minimum for? It can be Dogecoin, $20, right? But if it's something that acts like it was Doge and was created because they saw Doge go insane, it has to be $100,
Not
right?
a Doge, but definitely a dog. But you should look up Nancy Pelosi portfolio. Smiley face.
Thanks, Bryce, for the 20, man. Makes all our money, and then it's like, well, let's ban it, dude. Let's ban what we were doing because we're already rich now. No one else can get rich the way we got rich. Okay. Thanks, Nancy, for being probably the worst human in America. Wow. Okay, I don't know why I'm here still. I gotta move. I gotta get out of here. Off this asset before I vomit. I'm getting queasy. Well, I mean, it was like, you know, QRDO. It's kind of interesting. It's kind of massively underperforming. It should the confirmation lows in at the 886, and you figure 417 eventually, but it's, you know, still making a higher low and a higher high. It's literally locally make a higher high, higher low. So it just may be taking a minute, but one would be like in on this if they would own it. They'd be long. And they'd be waiting for at least 417 to take a little profit. If it ever broke 417, though, that's when it goes to the promised land. That's when your dreams come true, and it goes to 772 minimum. Straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. So that's it. Your targets, 417, 772 on QRDO.
Versus BTC is interesting.
Oh, is it, man? Thanks, Nawab, dude. Thank you, dude. Jasmine probably needs to be 100 too. Yep. If it's unironic. If it's ironic, maybe we'll be 20. Dang, dude. Where were these people literally the past 2 months? They like literally all it takes is one impulse candle up. We never, ever get people requesting the crap that's been requested today. Ever. Unless like it was November or it was April or March of last year, right? I mean, that's the only time. So it's just, where did y'all come from? Crypto market closes. Well, nothing. Crypto market never closes, but the daily and weekly candle closes in 57 minutes and change. Yeah, April's an incredible month for crypto. It is. Yep. The orcs have arrived from Mordor. Oh my god, dude. Alright, sweet. That was it. That was the last request. Get out of here. Alright. 46.6. Just a couple $100 off of your highs of the day. What a breakout, man. What a rectangle breakout. And the partial decline was so real. So real. No one needed to dono for DGB because we looked at it 3 different times on the stream.
Where's AVAX go from here, sir?
I don't know. We looked at it yesterday, but I guess since you requested it today, we can go to it. It's higher. It's minimum 96 to 100. After 100 is at 126, right? So you have a high and tight bull flag above a 200-day moving average. I think will play out. There's no buyer exhaustion at all right here. Again, from where you are right now, 96, 95 to 100, and once 100 is broken, 126 to 135, that's it. Satisfied? There you go, man. I wish there was more to talk about. We've already analyzed this. We've already talked about it. Blah, blah. All right, bullish convergence and daily. Everything's good. High and tight bull flag. Can I fib the tip jar? No need. It's maybe a 113 right now. The jar. 113% retrace. Just eyeballing it. Definitely not a 1272. Certainly not. Help me run out the clock, dude. Like, I need 56 minutes, dude. Good God, chat is lit. Both, all chats are lit. Oh my God, dude. Wow. Yeah, hot's man. Hot's crazy, dude. Wow, insane. FIL is continuing to pump. It is, oh, it's just to that top, man. Just to that 2371 right around there. You break that, man. Some serious things could happen on this asset based on history. So yeah, you're getting, it's almost like type 1, maybe type 2 here. You know, you just think about like one time and then kind of just extended like second time. You're like confirming. One time we don't know. Nice reaction. And then the type 2 is like a local double bottom within itself. So yeah, I mean, this is, you understand the upside here, or the downside in this situation is so great. Again, the upside potential on FIL, kidding aside, eventually is another 68 to 77% if it breaks this level. So you got to be a little optimistic and understand what's going on here at a 1272. I know it was a deep crab 886. The 1618 is truly the pattern completions of it. You got to think about context here, man. Like, there's no way it's going to a 1618 in these market conditions if they're real. There's just no way. And if that did happen, that would take months, and you don't want to know where Bitcoin is. If FILs go into a 1618, I think it might be $0. It might be literally bankrupt, homeless. Yeah, Gauzy, you're right. But it's like, it just, you know, it's like the fine print. It needs to be, like, I can put it in the description. People just keep requesting. I got to keep explaining. I hate that. I like the $20 request. It's nice, but I'll be like, $20 request, except for things related to something that is a derivation of Doge, you know, then it's $100. And that'll stop the request real quick for those scams, you know. Steve, you'll shotgun a beer if someone notices this. All right, Steven, go ahead and shotgun a beer. I'm going to post in the Discord, though. Otherwise, you didn't do it and you're just lying, okay? You've been called out. Chat. Steven Conway has been called out in the live chat. We need accountability, so everyone needs to make sure he does the right thing, all right? Band. Remember that time? Remember that time Band did something spectacular, unbelievable? You understand? It's just the beginning for Band, right? Just the beginning. Upside potential is 745 to 762. No question about it. I know, Logan. I'm sure that's probably a thing too. That was cold. Get out of here, dude. Get it? You saying that was cold AF? Oh, you talking about the beer? Well, hopefully you videoed it. Otherwise, fake news. We don't believe you. Pixar didn't happen to the strongest degree. Yep. People in the general chat and the Discord saying waiting for Stephen Conway. Yep. Just imagine, dude. If TA is respected here, where this goes. Life-changing opportunities over and over and over developed. Yep. Yo, broke my lights kind of, but I like it. I like the green vibes, you know, the green light protruding out of the ground. Oh yeah, my CME Bitcoin chart's delayed, so I gotta give it like 2 more minutes and it'll be like open. You know, we'll look at it. I think right, it just opened 8 minutes ago, chat. No, a direct message to me is not the Patreon. Whoever just asked that, no. When you private message me, that's not the Patreon. Wore my plans for the beat, go get my car washed, and then chill out for a little bit, and then come back and get ready for the stream. And I would have just gone live, what, 9 minutes ago? But nay, live 2 hours and 31 minutes now. So, yeah. We are 50 minutes from Ethereum's highest daily candle close since January 16th, making a higher high than that crazy high from February 9th. That's a huge deal, man. It's such a big deal, dude. It's like we are on a new wave, C to D wave. You can sell off as long as you make a higher low than 2,500. You'll be safe. You'll be solid. This wave will still be valid. Highest RSI on the daily Ethereum scene of the year. Highest level of RSI you've seen since November 8th. These are massive developments occurring on significant timescales across this market, man. Brad's drinking champagne, celebratory times. Get a little orange juice, dude. Sunday fun day. What?
Hi, can you look at used DOM? There's a deep crab on the daily, but within the deep crab there's another deep crab. In the C to D wave. Thoughts, please.
Captain
yeah,
Crunch tipped $22.90. Hey Mitch. Is the AD/USDT on KuCoin, please? Thanks. 0.00700000 ETH.
Thank you, Captain Crunch, dude, and smiley face. Thank y'all. Yeah, sure. I'll do what I can. USDT.D maybe? Is that what? Yep, that's what it is. I'm not sure, man. What are we gonna do here? Yeah, it looks terrible. Looks like it's about to get wrecked. Man, it respected the TA on the way up. I guess it's gonna respect the TA on the way down. I haven't looked at this in forever, dude. But yeah, double topping, obviously, right? Duh. Double topping at where? An inflection point. So you break that 3.83% bad action magnet move where you come back down to the demand line you've been respecting since time immemorial, since 2018. So, and you know what that would mean, right? I mean, it'd probably be TA Tetris going on, right? 886, something like that. Take you down to the levels that make the most sense. Yeah, so that's probably great. Meaning, like, if US dollar tether is dumping, dominance is dumping, that means money is leaving this and going into altcoins most likely, right? So it makes sense. So yeah, it could be on his way down, man. It's big sell wall, 4.71% to 4.9%, right? Yep. September 2020, what happened? Bitcoin pivots at 42K and runs up to 69K. What happened in June? Right, wait, what? September 2020. Never mind. That was the year before. Sorry. Both Septembers turned into Octobers that were both amazing, right? The past Octobers from 2021 and 2020. So never mind. That was like the altcoins began to rally, and this is when PayPal started adopting crypto. Square, they put $50 million of Bitcoin on the balance sheet, and then we started that run. Oh my God, the run from like 9K all the way up to 65K, and then we hit it in June 2021, right? July 2021, we bottomed out, 30K, and then where we go, 53K before pulling back, and now look where we are. So these tops, these are bottoms on Bitcoin. So we got another bottom on Bitcoin going on, right? Okay, just so we're clear on what's going on Bitcoin to the US dollar when we're at 4.71 to 4.9% US dollar tether dominance, okay? That's it. Are we clear? Are we cool? Smiley face, thanks. XCAD on KuCoin. Yeah, I mean, sure, held the support here. Can't argue with that. Bounced off of a night. I mean, if you stay above 2.73, 2.86, you're good. You're solid. I mean, there's going to be probably more upside. I mean, first upside probably takes you to $4.06. If you break $4, you're probably going to You're probably going to double in value if you ever break $4. That's it. So you leveled out. You found a base and you fell below it for a while, but you're back above it. You engulfed. It's not about the bearish breakdown itself, chat. It is about the follow-through price action the asset receives after the bearish breakdown. What was the follow-through price action this asset received on the bearish breakdown? Literal rejection, bullish engulfing candle. That's not a bearish breakdown if that happens. So you're safe. That's what I'm saying. So $4 would be the target probably from here, and then $8 after that. That's it, dude. Okay. God, what do I do for 45 minutes, man? Oh, I've been live 2 hours, 40 minutes now. Oh, happy Sunday. Yup, happy freaking Sunday, dude. I really don't know what to do, man. You kind of just run out of things to do when you're live this long, you know. So thanks again, Captain Crunch, man. You know, pull back a little bit from the highs, just a couple $100. Just chilling, man. Big chilling. Bitcoin big chilling after a partial decline breakout. Spectacular. It's so pretty too. It was just like, how could we survive? We're so screwed. March 13th. We're screwed, and then we held. And it was like, I can't believe it. And when we held, the next day I chugged a beer because I couldn't believe that we held that support for a second, for a third time, really. And that was it, man. That's all it takes. Support's got to hold. It's not about whether being right or wrong. It's all about the levels, and one level held for a second, third time. It's just crazy, man, where you've gone from there. Beautiful. Oh, yeah, XA. You to BTC probably in trouble. Yeah, a little bit. Probably dumped somewhat. What do I do, man? We got any ideas? Just, it's a run out the clock situation. No, it's too late. I can't go wash my car and come back and be here by the time the weekly closes. I just can't, you know. I'm almost like just committed. I either like end the stream now and never come back, or I just try to stay live for 42 more minutes. God. I mean, if you want to just see another random, amazing bottom, here's your engine coin. It was incredible, right? A falling wedge, a type 2 return, or the bullish shark. bullish divergence right around an inflection point from September. I mean, it was solid, and the upside on this is still there. I mean, there's still, you go up to 218 from here, and then above that, like 268, then 342, man. This is solid, dude. So a lot of these altcoins bottomed out. Oh yeah, dude. Oh, what was it? Someone was talking about somebody saying 10K or whatever, and it's like, really, who cares what that person has to say about whatever they said? And then like that aged like 10-day or 30-day old milk, man, just like in less than 24 hours. Wow.
Yo Mitch, can we check Rubik, accused to kill some time?
Anonymous tip $23.33. Omi/USDT is my favorite S coin, but it has an NFT partnership with Disney and a working app called Veve.
That's cool, dude. Thank you. Vibe Shift and Anonymous. I guess, sure, we'll look at them. Why not? Help me run out the clock. Yep. Starting to get really hungry. What I can't look at it on that. Let's see. I guess it's on Gate.io. Dude, I've never heard of this in my life, man. Ruby to Tether. Never been here. I would say certainly a major line in the sand's 18 cents on this one. It's back. It got it back above it. So funky, Buddha, man. Thanks for the 12. 1, 2, 3, 4 connect. Thank you, dude. I don't think there's anything that stuck out on this as extremely amazing. Maybe it was like wedging or something. There's probably some sort of supply line that was breached right there and back tested and engulfed. Wow, that's crazy. Was it a wedge? It was kind of like a mini wedge down there. So I mean, like, there's nothing to do here, right? There's no like, oh, time to enter a trade, right? No, I mean, you're near the top, right? Like the, you know, above 41 cents we'll talk, but you just went from the bottom to near the top. So I think there's a little bit more upside until you test like a major level. Clearly, that's where this asset has reversed. But if it ever broke that, man, I think you'd be shooting for 61 cents after that. So it looks like, I'm just looking at hindsight because I never look at S-coins like this, but kind of had something like that. Wedge breakout. I think we had looked at OMI before. I don't think it's like... It's cool though. It's got a partnership with Disney or something. That's crazy. What exchange though? All these weird exchanges, dude. Syndix? Oh my god, it's terrible. Oh, I do have memory of this place for sure. Wow. Okay. No bids. Down 1.7%. That sucks. I mean, it looks like some sort of bat that's not at the PCZ. I would, like, I don't care, but if it reverses here, cool story, bro. But if you get down to like 1.9 cents, that could be an amazing potential entry. Because you're talking about an inflection point confluent with a possible 886. It's a little deep. No, it's perfect, actually. It's legit like a bat. Pat complete. I almost, like, I just eyeballed this. It's like, dude, the bottom, this spring, the perfect entry just happens to be the 886. You may never get there, but I wouldn't touch it till you did, man. Because, like, let the market come to you versus, you know, it's called playing the market when you wait for assets to reach these levels. You're getting played by the market just randomly entering now. So I would wait on this because it would be extremely strategic, and if it doesn't happen, who cares, dude? It's OMI. There are thousands of assets that had showed amazing opportunities that are playing out, or they've just begun to play out. This one still needs to sell off a little more. If you want to respect the bat at critical supports, sure, need to sell off more. First Disney NFTs. That's cool, dude, but again, we're talking about the technicals. That just because Disney's doing it doesn't mean gonna moon now. I would just wait and look at it like it's everything else. It's just financial instrument to possibly trade and make money on versus, oh, it's so good, dude. It could pump anytime, but you would probably want to wait till it made the most sense. Divergence is okay, but just like it could keep dumping and just roll over and, you know, make even more extreme divergence later at the 886. Gotta love some of these coins, man. Right, like storage. Remember that 886? Remember the breakout? It's breaking out. I mean, it's breaking above a massive inflection point on storage. Your target's 186 to 194 right here. If it stays above 123, 130 long enough, you go to 186, 194 on storage. Beautiful, man. Come on. It's like V-Chain in ways. Better than V-Chain. It was an 886 versus 113. Bro, this song's like way too like emo, like intense. It's like chill, dude. Just relax. You can do it. No, I don't think we're on redistribution right now. No, I think you know my argument. I mean, I know you, Matthew, you're here. Like every day, like my argument was long-term uptrend, weekly highest high of all time, highest low of all time, and then type 2 return. That was my argument. So I was thinking 51 or 52 to 53K target from here.
Hey Mitch, can we look at a real S coin like Link? Thanks.
Yeah, Link's great though. I mean, like, relatively speaking, like to its resistance supports. This is not a joke. This is definitely a real area that is trying to breach right now, and $20 is your target from here. $20. Yep.
Hey Mitch,
just
love your
like
work,
V-Chain.
brother. Can you check out $OVR?
What's up, Satoshi or Itoshi? Itoshi Oliver, thanks, man. Over. It's over. Sure. But Link was, you know, it hit like a deep 886 from that low to high, you know, bottomed out right at the level. Duh. It's a big shark, man. It's like a massive shark that you know, and then the smaller M shape too. Real good right here. And the seller exhaustion at this level is so good, man. How many times you got to see it before you be like, that's what dreams are made of. But now you're trying to crack a pretty real resistance support from history, and your upside's like what, 20%, maybe 15% from here. 20%, yeah, it's 20% upside from but after that though, woo, you break $20 on Link, dude, it goes insane. It goes nuts. Like, I mean, you could eventually look what you do when you crashed, but then you rallied back up to $34, right? From when you broke 20 in January of 2021, you ran up to $34, $35. Look what happened when you held in July, this level, you go to $34, $35. $34, $35. So I would think, like, if you got this asset that is cracking above $16.39, you could have a longer term target of potentially $34, $35 based on historical price action when the asset bottoms and finds itself above $16.35 long enough. Okay, so, but yeah, minimum $20. After that, I think you could be conservative and you could say, hey, there's a peak though at $27.88. I would say, like, then $20, $27.88, and then $35. Okay, that's your chain link, dude. Thank you. Just another one, man. What is this, dude? That's an NFT. I don't understand what that is, dude. No shield bill. I don't get it, but I see it. I see it, but I don't believe it. Yeah, right, dude. Ethereum's pumping, by the way. I mean, it's up, man. It's nice. It really is. Very nice. It's near its session highs right now. Beautiful. And here we are, right? I mean, the crap, the 1618 confluent with an overhead resistance from January 13th, 3,417. That's where it seems you're headed, man. Beautiful, though. Like, chart art, man. This is like Michelangelo's, Carney Angelo's. Fantastical. Ethereum to Bitcoin was fantastic. It was beautiful. We knew, based on what it was doing, the upside on it was like we knew Ethereum to the US dollar was going to outperform the living crap out of Bitcoin to the US dollar for a while. Right here. Let's go to daily. Yeah, dude, it's kind of just going sideways because it's underperforming, outperforming, just hanging out. Yeah, maybe a little hidden bearish shiver just starting to develop.
I know you want to look at Doge.
What's up, Kirk, dude? Oh yeah, totally, dude. I mean, you know, it's sitting in 1272 area and it's kind of trying to look like it was bottoming out like a lot of other coins. So yeah, I mean, I think if the trend is respected here, a lot more upside. It's like the oil, U.S. oil chart before it went berserk. So anytime you break supply lines, really good things happen eventually. Not immediately, but eventually. So this just implies long-term uptrend could continue to outperform Bitcoin to the US dollar. Higher percentage gains. So higher yield than Bitcoin. Nah, no marathon stream. We're about 8 minutes away from a mini marathon, which is a 3-hour stream. Okay, so what was it we were going to look at? Oh, just crap. Oh, Doge, yeah. Yeah, it hit a 1272, bullish divergence, rallying, and it's going to go test 15.42 cents to 18 cents, and that's the zone.
Yes, Veve is animated and static NFTs that you can place in art. They are super cool. Spin.
So initial bill, remember inflation, right? There are no more $10 spins, dude. It's just not the way it works. But thank you. That's cool, though. So I would just think, like, if you can break back above 18 cents, you could probably go to 34 cents on Doge again. Yep. Kind of a little too perfect to be a formal harmonic because it was, like, about the same high on ANC. But nevertheless, like a 1618 and a 1272 can flew in here. And the macro is trying to recover. It's probably a pretty good spot with the divergence for a short-term bounce anyway. And you need to make a higher high. Like the previous high is like 17 cents. You got to break that. Then you got to break 19 cents. I think that's huge because that's a local major high. So it's like, though it's okay, I think there are better assets out there than Doge. But Doge probably going to recover like everything else if Bitcoin keeps doing what it's doing, man. And it's like not special. Yeah, can't Snorlax like shoot like laser beams out of his mouth or something? I can't remember. Yeah, dude, don't underestimate Snorlax. There's a Discord link. Yeah, dude, like owning Atom's good too. You get 5% APY, which doesn't keep up with inflation, but better than a lot of others, I guess, right? But it's such an amazing holy grail potential trade setup. Rohit, I understand, dude. It already broke out, dude. I don't know why you're here saying breakout. It already broke out, dude. Like days ago, many days ago. Rohit, dude, what's so like we know, Rohit, you're massively over allocated into SOL. That's all we need to know. Well, that's what we know from what you're saying. Yeah, waiting for daily, weekly close, man. Sorry, I got another 26 minutes, man. What am I supposed to do for 26 minutes? Whew. I'm just getting a little stream fatigue, man, you know? Oh, OVR was actually one I gotta look at. Of course it's an S coin. I can't believe it. God, dude. And looking at it, it's just as triggering as you could dream of, man. You can't even imagine. dude. And then it's like, oh yeah, of course it's some S coin I've never heard of, so it's like I gotta look through 50 exchanges before I can find one with data. Of course. Like, I guess this is the most data I could ever find on this asset. No, this is OMG. What happened? Oops, I don't know. OVR. Yeah, dude. There's no point in looking at this. Thanks for the contribution, dude. But kind of like doesn't. I mean, this is to wrapped ether, and I actually have been here before. This is not really good. This is falling below the 200-day moving average. It topped out with confirmation. I think it can go much lower. You're talking about to wrapped ether. To the US dollar, there's no data. You can't even look at it because it's just
He's still
useless.
going. Low good vibes.
What's up, Mr. LinkedIn? Thanks for 3s, dude. Good vibes indeed. That's what I got, man. On Bitcoin. This though, trash. Oh God, like why even? I just don't understand. If you're an active member of this community, you're applying yourself and you're taking in the things I'm trying to teach here. I don't know why you'd ever in your life, your wildest dreams, ever tip your money to look at something like this. I just don't know why. Like, it just doesn't make sense. It's like almost telling me you aren't applying yourself. You are not learning what I'm trying to teach you every day, 7 days a week. That's what it's showing me.
ILV.
But I appreciate the contribution. What's up, Ronald? Thanks, dude. ILV is an S coin. Wow. That's perfect, dude. Wow. Talk about the entire chart is the trade setup, right? It's a shark, but it maybe went to a 90+% retrace, which happens. It's not invalid, but I'm just saying the whole chart itself, man, is the trade. You know, it's like 94. Okay, it's right around there. So it's type 1, type 2. Pfft, unreal, dude. Yep. So, hey, we got an S coin that actually makes sense, kind of. Okay. Yep, you got a type 2 return on a bullish shark. Upside, like minimum target 720 here. If you ever broke 720, you could imagine, right? You could just do a 100% measured move for a target if you wanted. From the bottom to the top of the potential double bottom neckline from the breakout. Target, if it was a true double bottom, target's $991 to $1,000. Why is that makes so much sense? Because look left to the B point, that low from November 17, 2021 is 968. Kind of TA Tetris, kind of like X marks the spot. Nice, dude. ILV, some S coin I've never seen in my life, is doing the right things. It's doing the things we look for. Yes, and massive, undeniable bullish divergence on the daily RSI. Imagine ignoring that. That's great, dude. Like, so actually, unironically, a good request on an S coin I've never seen in my life. There you go, dude. Congrats on actually applying yourself. All right, we got less than 23 minutes to your daily weekly candle close, the highest weekly candle close of 2022. Amazing. Stick around. Stick around. I would not worry about volume. Like, you can't look at volume. Like, crypto, you have to take it with a grain of salt.
Let me explain why you get some requests that you say suck. Some people are holders rather than traders. They may just hold the asset.
Not a good idea.
And want to know how the technicals look. They are just asking for your view, after which they may sell.
Well, this isn't really a hold channel.
$50. Hey Mitch, I found your channel October 2020, and you have single-handedly changed the trajectory of my life. Thank you.
Dang, Alex, man. ALX, that's super wholesome. Holy crap, can we get some
Hype in the chat
for that contribution, man? That's dang, man. You want to make me cry and tear up, tears of joy? That's amazing, dude. That makes my day, you know, hearing stuff like that. Holy crap. Thank you, dude, for the 50 super chat and the kind words. Wow. Cool as F. Give me a positive tissue. All right. All right, dude. Whatever that was, ILV could moon soon for Ronald's. Halfords. Thank you, dude. Here's your Bitcoin. 20 minutes and counting.
Hype in the contributions. Peace.
What's up, Dodgen? Since the 5 dude. Good to see you, man. Good to see ya. Hype in the contribution. Hype in the contributions, indeed. In the general chat too, or just the all chats really. So. Buy a blue tie, huh? Yeah, FIL, man. It breaks that level. Good things could happen, man. ICP, the situation, same situation. They're just like, they're beaten down, losers. Everyone's quit on them. They're emotionally divested, and they'll never buy into it just cause. But just wait, man. They could pull DGBs. They break those levels. What's up, Zach? Chungus, dude. Yeah, dude. Chungus to the moon. Thank you for the 3s.
XTZ analysis, please and thanks.
Yeah, dude, we'll go to Big Chungus right now. Chungus is the new Marklar. Give me some deep fried memes, man. Yeah, Tezos up 5+%. It's going to be the highest daily candle close since February 16th. And nearing the major level. You are on the cusp of what we've been dreaming of for Tezos for far too long. Once we break, I believe, that 394. See ya. Long-term uptrend. Everything you could have dreamed of was here, and it was handed to you on an effing silver platter or a Bitcoin platter. I mean, you're talking doubling in value once you pretty much break that high. I know there's the upthrust. That correlated to this high. I think above $4, you go to $8 eventually. Okay? It's an active trade setup. I know it's troubling times for your patience, but dude, I'm telling you, this is how it works sometimes. These structural developments been going on 270 plus days, man. It's gonna take a minute for them to pivot for real and start going, but once they go, man, they start pulling DGBs. They start pulling ZRXs. So you're in on this long still. You're making your tendies, but you haven't realized your tendies yet. You wait. You just hold it. Wait to get stopped out, which you didn't. Okay, then you're up and you're gonna probably double up in time once $4 breaks. That's your Tezos. Sorry that we've already analyzed it and beat 10,000 dead horses of Tezos, but yeah, same analysis. Nothing's changed. All right. We got, wow, man. 17 minutes, Bitcoin's kind of doing things. Really starting to look kind of, woo, let's go to Bitcoin. So close. Power minutes. It is power hour. It is the power hour of the week right now. We have the poor horses, but the rich tendies or whatever. The ApeCoin fundamentals so good, man. Oh, could we get 1,000 likes? Is that possible? How many are we at now? I haven't even checked, man. We just been kind of busy, you know. Dang, dude, we're like 10 likes away from 1,000. Dude, we got to do that. We ain't had 1,000 likes in a minute, dude. We're so close, dude. Jesus chimes. Jesus chimes for 1,000 likes. Thank y'all.
Hype in the chat.
Oh. I dig it, man. Let's pump to session highs in this 16 minutes. All right, let's pump. We're so close. Things looking really strong right now. Seriously, thank y'all. And you know, for the people that are new, join the Discord so you don't get left behind next time. Whoops. like the song. Dang, dude, all of a sudden 1,100 likes. My God. That was like a reactive move, right? The chat's just like, whoa, we gotta go to hit the likes, and then just like, boom, 150 new likes. Whoa. Over the goal line. Okay, so we're going to Big Chungus, Ethereum, 3292. And again, you're about to, you're working on like, you're like on your highest high. This is actually a bad action magnet move. Scott Carney needs to like be in here, dude, because like, this is the BAMM. Once you break the BAMM, the phenomena is 886. Based on historical research, over thousands and thousands of charts looked at with these structures. Yes, when you break the B point, see you at the 886. And it's like the 382 to 50%. Yes, that's the B point for sure. That's definitely the bat. The higher low on C2. Yep. So I just like, you can't be surprised, man. Can't be surprised.
Your TA on Doge Dash. Thanks, smiley face.
I've got a good feeling you're just kidding, dude. Because I don't believe that there's something called Doge Dash. What about Doge Sheep Floki Scam coin? That's my favorite, dude. The BAMM, is it tradable? Yeah, I mean, it like Scott Carney talks about it. He doesn't really say so much like, you know, it's like it's not like a lower risk trade or anything, but he talks about these are high probability outcomes, right? If you break the B point, the probability is higher that you run to deep retraces. High probability outcome areas. So I think that's like exactly what it says in those books, his books, okay? Yeah, for real, Yummy Blades. You're gonna tip Doge Dash that costs $100, bro. Exactly. Can we break the like to viewer ratio? Probably. Yep, see, everyone in the community, the entire community, like has pretty much voted. You know, we put it up for a vote. Anything that represents something similar to Doge, like a knockoff brand of Doge, it's $100 if you actually want to look at it on a chart. Everyone's backing it up, man. Democracy. Yep. Of course it's a real thing. Of course, dude. Yeah. I'm so surprised, right? Surprised the scam's called a scam. I mean, so total, remember, like your target is 2.21 trillion. Like, especially after breaking this high here, like which you are, which is the February 10th high. Yes. Just think about where Bitcoin's at 53K. If total is at 2.21 trillion, Bitcoin's at 53K. 50 to 53K. Okay. When total's here. I'm going to audio check. So I guess it's okay. People will be like saying this. Yeah. Leo N, thanks for joining the Patreon, but remember, you have 3 days in the Patreon, which actually, you know, to be real with all the trade setups active, I think if you like actually took advantage, like hardcore, of what's going on in the Discord for Patreon, it's actually worth. But I'm not trying to be like, you should join now, you shouldn't, you should wait till the first, but unfortunately, you should have joined like the first of this past month, man.
Shots fired.
I mean, shots fired, but oh wait, it was a cap gun. So it sounded loud, but no Belushi's. Get wrecked, Taco Tuesday. Thank you, man. Cheers. Thank you, 333. Well, of course, I'll just, you know.
32.33, repeating, of course.
Thank you, dude. Maybe I should change it to 32.33 instead of 3333. We're on our way, dude. I mean, you're just hitting your session highs every moment. You're about to be at 3,300. 3,300 for the first time since January 17th, man. This is crazy. 11 minutes, man. I'm trying, dude. I've been here for 3 hours, 11 minutes. I'm going crazy. We've looked at a lot of coins today, so. Hex held a support, dude, twice. So that's what happens, Larry, when Hex holds supports. I mean, I don't know why it would be coming off as a surprise. Like, everything recovered, and like it held support. That's it. Man, we're so close. Session highs on Bitcoin. It's crazy. It's so strong. What a strong 4-hour candle, dude. Just out of nowhere. It's so crazy. I had my shoes on, my jacket on. I was just ready to walk out the door.
Chicken fucker.
Dulavermotsuk tipped $59.58. Thanks for your relentless dedication. Shout out to my nephew who joined the Discord today. He said to me about trading, it's just as easy to lose my money to inflation if it just sits in a savings account. Smart kid. Request streamer's choice.
Law, man. Thanks for the 59.58, the chicken effort contribution, dude. The Dallas Cowboys contribution. Sure, of course. Your cash sitting in your account is losing 8% a year on paper, but it's actually losing probably about 15+% per year now. Sure. Yep. So you got to take some risks, man. It seems like, right? You have to. Can't put it in bonds. The thing about owning what bonds are, oh my God, we're pumping, dude, 2% yield. Wow. So you buy a bond and you're getting devastated by inflation. Like, it just doesn't make sense right now. So anyway, yeah, and shout out to him. Thanks for joining and welcome to the community. And it's not the things in movies. This is way more robotic and way more chill. You know the sentiment when these things are bottoming out. Like, it's. Anyway, my choice, H&T, man. That's my choice. I'm gonna pick that one. H&T to me is gonna moon so hard soon. Helium, dude, it's done everything that dreams are made of, man. Everything. Yep, I think once you break 26.39, it's just gonna be one of those stupid headline days where, oh my God, dude, H&T's up 30% today. What? Yeah, dude. This is an active trade setup that's kind of taking its time, but everything you could imagine is here. The falling wedge, you broke out, you back tested the inflection point out support, continued more divergence. I think just patience is required here, and I think you'll see a lot higher prices. Long-term uptrend, 886 retrace, everything you could dream of, value perceived areas in an uptrend is there, man. So there's your dealer's choice. That's it. H&T miners, yeah, I got one rolling right now, right there. Looking at the little thing, the antenna thing, right there. 8 minutes, chat. 8 minutes, and we're at near session highs. I think we'll probably see session highs before the week's over, the day's over, in less than 8 minutes. Yeah. Here's your rectangle, bro. Highest RSI you've seen since February 8th. But this time we're at higher prices. I'm looking at total. No, it's not. I mean, it's at 2.069. Not quite. Getting there, though. Yeah, that's what my brother-in-law told me about it. H&T 5G hotspot meshing, yeah. Leo, what? Did you request something, dude, or something? I don't even see it, dude. Dude, I got so desensitized to my alerts on my phone because, like, it's just been like a lot of contributions today. I didn't even look. So you got me that time, Crypto Hoarder. You got me.
Crypto_Hoarder tipped $256.76. Thanks for toughing it out and staying until the daily close. You're the man, Mitch. 0.078000000EDH.
Thank you, Crypto Order Man, for the $1,530.62 on the day, man. Holy crap, my man. Well, thank you, dude, for watching. You know, thanks for supporting this channel. That's what you're doing. You know, you buy these NFTs, you tip this stream, man. You're just making sure I'm coming back. I'm coming back, man. And you've got my word. You know, it's crazy. So it's really not that crazy, actually. It's still, and it's not going to last because I'm going to be traveling and stuff. But it's the 27th of March. I haven't taken one day off this year. Like, I think I've been live every single day of 2022. So I think that's pretty cool for now. You know, we're streaking through the quad into the gymnasium. But I know it can't last because, again, I got a 17-hour flight, you know, to Scotland in late April, mid-April. What's up, BDE? Thanks, man. I knew you were kidding a minute ago.
Hi, Mitch, I respect your TA. Thank you for everything you do.
Well, thanks for watching, dude, and supporting the stream. What the? Oh my god! Jesus, dudes. Pat M.
Patent tip $957.50, echoing an earlier contribution. You've changed my life for the better, Mitch. Thank you for what you've taught me. I'm more grateful than I could possibly ever contribute. You rock, man. Much love. 0.020429446 BTC.
Wow.
Hype in the chat!
Dang, dude. That's deep, Pat M, man. Don't make me teary-eyed, dude. Thanks for the $957.50 worth of Bitcoin, man. You're making me FOMO on a breakout. I just breakout bought Bitcoin. Thanks to Pat M. Thank you, dude. That's incredible, dude. And I'm grateful I have this opportunity. You know, it's certainly a blessing. It's a really humbling experience. That's all I can say, man. I'll do everything I can to keep coming back to provide you with what you watch me for. That's it, man. Thank you, dude. You see that crypto hoarder, man? Holy crap, Pat M, dude. So we got 3 minutes. All right, so we got our local on the 8s coming, and I think Bitcoin could see session highs in this 3-minute period. We're that close, dude. So we'll just do an early one. Your local on the 8s. Wow, dude. Well, we're here. It's extended. You know. Okay, be sure to join the Discord. I'm just gonna keep spamming it. You know, keep joining the Discord if you haven't yet. What are you doing, man? Yes, did just get real, didn't it?
If you make it down to London, check out the Churchill War Rooms. Will blow your mind.
Is that a joint?
Yeah, remind me when I'm down there. I'm gonna bring my streaming station. I'm gonna stream from Europe, chat. For sure. Like, that's like, come on, dude. I have to. Kidding me? And I'm gonna work on my accent and try to do the entire stream with a Scottish accent and British accent, depending on what city I'm in that day. Or something stupid. Good lord. Oh no, please don't. 200 more likes to destroy the light to viewer ratio. No way that's happening, dude. Less than 2 minutes, chat, until massive, incredible developments on the weekly. Gillo with a Glasgow accent? Yeah, dude. It's borderline not even English. Yeah, it's like, I think if I'm drunk, I'll probably understand it better. All right, let's go to the weekly, because that's what's about to close, man. Here it is. Here we go, chat. It is upon us.
Are you gonna have a London group meetup?
Maybe. Maybe we'll have to figure it out when I'm over there. I would like to. You gotta be kind of careful. 10 seconds, chat. 10 seconds. Until the highest weekly candle close of 2022. It is confirmed. Jesus chimes. And hype in the effing chat. Spam chat, dude. Are you kidding me? That is huge. First positive histogram wick has now emerged since November on the weekly. Let's effing go. Massive. Massive. You know what this can turn into, right? That's right. Fantastic, man. I don't say, like, thanks for being here. This has been an incredible day where there were things going on. There was, like, you were just floating on up and there was no divergence, and it just, like, finally popped. Ethereum, highest. Wow. Actually, Ethereum, not the highest weekly candle close of 2022. The highest weekly candle close of 2022 for Ethereum was the week of January 10th, when you got a close at 33.57. So Bitcoin's doing something more spectacular than Ethereum, even though Ethereum's doing wonderful, right? I mean, great. Highest weekly candle close since January 10th, which isn't, you know, that's something to write home about. It's not a joke, but just saying, you know, technically, let's go Bitcoin. That's right. You know, we have 52K like tonight. I'll be a piece of bread tonight. Yeah. Sure, why not? I mean, what could go wrong? A piece of bread's given TA. Oh my God. Wow, incredible. Yeah, highest weekly candle close on Bitcoin since December 27th, 2021. What about the daily? The daily. Highest daily candle close since, looks like, January 2nd. Almost the highest daily candle close of the year. You get one more pump on a close in 24 hours. It will be the highest. Remember, when we hear the beep, it'll be the highest price we've seen since or of 2022. That you see this dotted line or whatever. That is, when we hear that beep, we'll know. Highest price of the year. This guy promoting carbohydrates, man. God, what a scumbag, dude. Yeah, if you're in Germany at 2 a.m., I get it, man. It's gonna be hard to sleep.
Mitch,
it's hard to sleep
what set
anywhere,
are you
man,
playing
with these
in the
developments going
background?
on.
I love it.
It's just progressive deep house, man. That's the genre, and there's countless songs that are good, dude. So, deep progressive house. All right, it's like pretty much my favorite genre of music, I guess, at this point in my life. No. Yeah, pump it, Jonathan. Y'all know who Jonathan is, right? Let's ask him how's Bitcoin doing, Jonathan?
I like turtles.
Nice one, Jonathan. Highest daily candle close on total since, it's got to be January 16th. But we go to the weekly on totals, highest weekly candle close since January 10th. So it's like Ethereum kind of. But you understand, nothing even makes sense till 2.21, 2.3 trillion. That's it. Nothing. Okay? So probably eventually going to see you there. So just relax, man. Been live 3 hours and 26 minutes now. Wow. So we're like 34 minutes from a marathon stream if I wanted, but like, what's the point, dude? I'm fatigued. Like, the last thing I thought was, oh yeah, I'm about to do a stream, an emergency stream, because we saw 45.5. I swear to God, dude, I was like, leaving my place, leaving. And then ding, 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 beeps go off, and it's just like crazy, man. Yeah, on the new week, we got Rareable up 7.72%. What the? Yeah, let's get a Rareable. Here it is, it's pumping, dude. Well, this one's like literally, this is exactly where it could reverse. I know it's illiquid, but I'm still going to look at inflection points, triple divergence, 14145 extensions. This is like definitely an area that makes sense for a potential reversal that would take it to 1350, which is ridiculous upside. Talking like 70 or 80% upside on Rareable if it holds above 723 long enough. You know what I'm saying, man? ENS, an active trade setup. Starting out with a bang, yes, 5.83% up. Target eventually 22.35 cents. You ever break that? $22.35. Sorry, I'll look at too many of these S coins. All right, $22 and then $36 eventually after that. This is a trade setup, man. Come on, divergence, falling wedge. You broke out. You back tested not just the horizontal line support, but also the supply line at the same time. Let's see. Dash up 4% on the new week. Pumping, dude. Pump it. Just right up against the resistance. Once you break it, boom. First target of the trade setup's hit. And then, you know, your second and third targets will be after that, man. V-Chain up 3% on the new week. Let's go. Yeah, what would stop I don't think anything's going to stop V-Chain until 9.5 cents. It just doesn't really make sense historically. It is a straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down, straight up. Every single time, except once, really, you kind of did that. But when you hold 6 cents, you go to 9 cents. And then that's really kind of it. I mean, I don't think anything else is really doing anything on the new week, you know. Storage up marginally, meh, nothing too exciting. So I think you just, who knows what you're gonna do here on the new week, first 4-hour candle. I don't know, after a massive confirmed breakout of the rectangle, only after the partial decline was confirmed, and as soon as it was confirmed, 70% chance of you couldn't even say breakout because it broke out so fast. So that is like certain TA being respected on rectangles and partial declines. So that's such a good educational, you know, thing for people to see, right? I mean, you all kept hearing me talk about the potential partial decline, right? Yeah, and then it's like, oh, that's what happened. Okay. Yeah, Adam at third, dude. Adam's just like, you just sit it and forget it, dude. Don't even worry about it, man. Like, you're just, that's the highest daily candle close since March 9th. Dude, just wait till $43 to $44 on Adam, dude. Just one's in this, they're long, and they're waiting to get stopped out or to make a lot of money. Just like XRP, just like many others, okay? Dang, man, whole set's over. Okay, so I guess it could be a good time to get out of here. You know, I don't know what else I can do. You know, 3.5 hours, dude. There's only so much you can do, man. And if you're not like literally pumping the whole time, it's just tougher. So, let me just leave you with a hype A song for the breakout that has been achieved with confirmation, candle close confirmation. There's the breakout, as you can see, and we should see 50 to 53K in time, if this is real. Is appropriate. So thanks everyone for the contributions, the likes, the loves, the subs, all that. Join the Discord if you haven't. Thank you, Crypto Hoarder, for the 1530, but Pat M too. Holy crap, everyone really. Just I'll be back. If we see 53K, 52 to 53K today, I'll be live. That's a piece of bread. So until next time, respect the T. Hey.
Since I called. Sunshine, I feel alive again. I can finally see it all. I've been closing blinds and cutting ties with everybody I know. Something tells me it ain't helping. All this shit ain't good for my soul. I've been hiding away, found myself in my head. But when I woke up today, I got a good feeling. Think I'm ready this time. Got a new state of mind. Things are gonna be fine. I got a good feeling. Whoa, I got a good feeling. Whoa, I got a good feeling. I got a good feeling. I got a good feeling. I got a good feeling.
Pull me away, bring me to life. 'Cause I love it when you get me high. Watching these days turn into nights. 'Cause I love it when you get me high. Drink up till you're running through my blood. Yeah, you leave my body numb, and I like it way too much. I wanna stay out of my mind.
Is that a joint?
'Cause I love it when you get me high.
Is that a joint? that a joint?